think it's because GJ is in a dog shit right now.
Yeah, exactly. All right. There we go. Man, by one, not even, by one pip, man. Not even the spread took me out or something. I don't know. It's just like, oh man, that's horrible. Horrible. Oh well, it is what it is. Hey, welcome. Bon matin, good morning. Alright, so let's delete this shit. Yeah, but so anyway, so I was talking about this. Something gonna change with the challenge. I didn't realize because now by having this running all night, now it's gonna be hard for me for taking a trade today because this count as drawdown for today, but it's the trade from yesterday. So that's something for the challenge I need to take in consideration to maybe close my trade before the end of the day. So yeah, so that's something I'm gonna change about that. So anyways, all right, welcome guys. Good morning, bon matin. Bienvenue si c'est votre première fois ici ce matin. Bienvenue, c'est une session en trading en direct en fait. Et on va passer du français à l'anglais pour répondre au plus de questions possibles. Si vous avez besoin de faire analyser votre chart, vous pouvez toujours l'envoyer en cliquant sur la petite caméra ici en haut à droite. Allez jusqu'à la fin, cliquez la barre oblique X jusqu'à la fin, vous allez coller ça dans le chat. Welcome. Bob Layen, bon matin. On va-tu finir par savoir si t'es québécois, Bob Layen? Um, all right, so welcome. If it's your first time here, welcome. This is a Franglish live session. Basically, going to jump from French to English, trying to answer the most question as possible. If you want me to review your chart, and the only thing you got to do is click on that camera. On TradingView, you go to the end, you select the backslash, the X, and to the end, and you paste that in the chat. All right, man, I can't.
Morning, Sasha.
Hey, morning. I can't wait for GJ to be out of this bullshit because terrible. Yes, yeah, it's terrible.
Yeah, it looks very nice. So I think on New York session, you have an opportunity. So
Ah, Bob Layen est français. Ok. J'étais sûr avec Bob Layen que c'était québécois comme nom. Pour être honnête, là. Ben, bienvenue, Bob Layen. Personne n'est parfait. C'est bon. J'adore. Hola, buena dia, bonjour, good morning. Good morning, Carrie. Bonjour, Sacha. Bonjour, Albert. All right. Okay, so let's do our top-down analysis here. Let's go to monthly. Okay. So change some quickly here. Let's go. Okay, perfect. All right. So now looking at this monthly. All right, looking at this monthly. I mean, this monthly candle. I mean, right now we are the 15th. So we are right now we are halfway through that monthly candle. We broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically, it shows that we should continue up, right? Since we broke the previous low, now usually our candle prints is half of the candle usually goes against the direction, and after that, the second half should go to your direction, right? So it looks like now maybe we're gonna start pushing back up again, but based on this is still bearish. So I mean, we're gonna look at probably bearish move right now, but we're gonna take a look on the lower time frame. Donc si on regarde principalement sur le chart du mois, c'est une chandelle qui est à la baisse. On a brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent. Donc techniquement basé sur ça, on devrait voir la deuxième moitié de chandelle de ce mois-ci à commencer à pousser vers le haut. Par contre, on doit trader ce qu'on voit, et là, ce qu'on voit, c'est une chandelle à la baisse, donc probablement que dans l'immédiat, on va regarder pour des ventes. Donc, allons voir plus loin. Alright, so now looking the weekly. So now if you look at the weekly, I mean, we've been pushing super hard to the upside. We formed resistance last week. We went down. So far we respected. Did we respect it? Yes, we did respect previous low on this weekly candle. And yeah, so right now, I mean, if we break this weekly candle, which is right around there, if we break this, I mean, now we know for a fact that we're gonna continue down. But at this stage, we still don't know. It's kind of a doji formation right now. We have like what 2 days left, today and tomorrow. Donc si on regarde la chandelle de la semaine, on a respecté le bas précédent, on a respecté le haut précédent. C'est un petit peu incertain vers quelle direction on s'en va. Par contre, c'est sûr que si on brise le bas actuel ici, ben il y a de grosses chances qu'on continue vers le bas. Mais pour l'instant, on n'a pas beaucoup d'indications. So now let's take a look at the daily. Welcome guys if you're joining. Don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you very much. I'd be very appreciated. And alright, so let's take a look at this daily. Now, looking at this daily, I mean, look at this range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a range right now. This is terrible. It's ugly price action. We need to get out of this bullshit. Oh man. Allergies kicking back again. Woo. Okay, sorry about that. Man. Ooh, allergies. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So now, if we do our little friend here, so if we look, we are bouncing back and forth on that safety net right now. So I mean, that's this fib safety net. So we're still rejecting it. So until we break this, I'm still looking for, on the daily, probably going to be still looking for buys. Intercession probably sells. I don't know. We're going to have to take a look at it. But daily, I mean, we should, if we reject this and we form a nice support, but right now we don't have a support. I mean, those are all write-off candle for me on the daily. So, I mean, we need a strong bullish candle and that will create our support. Donc, sur le chart journalier, on a besoin d'un support pour continuer vers le haut parce qu'on continue de respecter le net de sécurité qui est mon niveau 764 sur le FIB. Donc, techniquement, on devrait repousser vers le haut. Par contre, si on brise ce net de sécurité, on va continuer vers le bas. So again, there's nothing clear this morning, donc il n'y a rien de clair ce matin. Looking at the 4 hours, I mean, look at this, man. It's just like, ugh, terrible. Alright, so let's do our zone. So this is our first zone right here, where I should have exited my trade yesterday. God damn it. We're gonna talk about that. Here is another zone. And look at this, man. Here, one fake out to the downside, and yeah, terrible. Terrible. Donc, si on regarde sur le 4 heures, on est clairement dans un range ici. On a eu un fake out ici en bas, mais rien d'intéressant. So, if you look, basically, this is the range actually. Yeah, this is the range. And we have another zone here. A strong zone right there. Okay. Alright, so looking at 1 hour, let's adjust our zone now. Actually, that looks pretty good. Right? Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Here we got this. Oops. What am I doing? Wait a second. Where did I see that? Okay, sorry about that confusion. All right, so now looking at the 4 hour, looking back at the 4 hour. Sorry, I mean we don't have much information. I mean it's rangy, right? So I mean there's nothing else to say. Il n'y a pas grand chose à dire ici sur le 4 heures. C'est juste dans un range. Pas beaucoup d'informations pour être honnête. Looking at H1, I mean H1 is just ranging again. So I mean for me, I don't know, man. I'm gonna be looking for buys probably above 150, 400. And looking for sell. I'm gonna be probably looking for sell only under that weekly candle, which is probably like right around here, if I'm not wrong. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, if we break that weekly low, probably gonna start looking for sells. Or let's say we have a nice break and retest here. Something like this. Probably going to be something interesting. Yeah. Donc, ce que je regarde présentement, il n'y a pas grand chose. Je vais regarder pour un achat probablement en haut de cette zone-là. Ou en bas de cette zone-là. Entre les deux, pas grand chose. To be honest. I mean, looking at 30-minute, it's also a mess. So, I mean, actually. Yeah. Yep, that's it. That's our zone here. Alright, donc voici le plat. Alright, so that's those two options, right? But nothing exciting, to be honest. Alright, so let's take a look if we have any question here. And we're gonna do GA right after that. Alright guys, we got 97 people on. We got 26 likes. Can I please ask you to give a little support to the stream and smash that like button? Sorry guys. Good morning. Good morning, Breno. Hey bro, very less volume. Oh, very less volume. Okay. Sorry. Now should be better, I guess. Hopefully. Now, 1 2 test check. Is that better? 1 2 test check 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 check. 1 2 test. Sound better? Hopefully it's good. The sound. Oh, everybody said the sound. Okay. Now is the sound better? Hello everybody. Hey Sasha, I'm interested to join the pack. What time does the Zoom call begin? 5:30. Sometime a little early when I'm early, but most of the time 5:30 a.m. Yes. And we do that every day privately with students. The only day I'm streaming now, it's Tuesday and Thursdays. And probably that in the future, it's going to be probably 1 day a week. Yeah. I need to spend more time with students and yeah. So hopefully that answered the question, Jason. If you have any more questions, feel free to send me a DM. Try some citrus fruits juice. Allergies gone away in 3 days. Oh, really? Phew, shit, I'm gonna try that for sure. Albert, Le Zulu. Oh, you guys talking to each other. Okay, great, perfect. So sound is better, guys, on YouTube? Awesome. Alright, so now let's take a look at GA. Alright, let's remove all this. Down. Yeah, this was my... Guys, if you missed Forex Talk over beer from last night, I highly suggest you go watch it. I explained this trade and I explained how I got trapped into greed yesterday. Yeah, it's been a while since I didn't experience greed, but yesterday, yep, that shit happened to me. Oh man, I feel so dumb now looking at it. Plus, I was live with students. I was like, yeah, I'll wait. You should get it. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I should get it. That should be fine. And nope, And one thing though I forgot about that is I should have done my fib level and realized it was rejecting the 382. That is something I realized after, and if I wouldn't seen that, I would be securing more position, um, and especially the fact that I placed my TP based on my late entry. I think that was the biggest mistake. But if you look here, oops, if you look at this here, it was rejecting the 382 right on the dot. So yeah, something to keep in mind. Anyways, all right, so let's go back into GA here. Let's remove all those on. Wow, man, GA melt. Wow. All right, so let's go to the monthly. All right, looking at the monthly here, we are halfway. I mean, this monthly is pretty much bearish. I mean, look at this. We went down on the monthly chart, and now we're coming back down. I mean, if we broke this low, I mean, it's gonna be it's gonna melt. It's gonna melt. But right now, it's very strong bullish. We just broke previous low on that monthly candle, so that gives us a big hint for continuation to the downside. Um, we also broke previous high though, so it's kind of in between. So we're gonna have to take a look on the lower time frame. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois, on a brisé le haut précédent, on vient tout juste de briser le bas précédent. Donc il va falloir regarder sur les time frames plus bas pour avoir une meilleure idée, mais techniquement, généralement, la chandelle va former la mèche dans la direction opposée en premier, et après ça va commencer à pousser dans la bonne direction. All right, so now looking at the weekly, I mean, right now, I mean, like I said, yesterday and the days before, price was moving quite nice to the upside. It was creating higher highs, higher lows, as you see, and now we were expecting a support area to continue up, right? But instead, now we are breaking this support, so now we have a change of direction. If we close this weekly like this, that means now we're having a change of trend, right, on this weekly. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, donc on avait parlé de ça dans les jours précédents. Donc, le prix formait des nouveaux hauts plus hauts, des bas plus bas. Et là, on a brisé cette structure-là ici qui était ce support-là. Si cette chandelle ferme en bas de ce support, donc, ça veut dire qu'on va avoir une continuation vers le bas. Donc, on va avoir un changement de direction. On va avoir un changement de tendance. Donc, c'est vraiment ça qu'il faut regarder. Par contre, si cette chandelle-là, parce qu'elle n'est pas fermée encore, elle renverse à la hausse et ferme en haut, ben on va continuer vers le haut. So, if this candle flips back bullish, we're going to continue back up, of course. But if this candle closes like this, we are highly, we're probably going to be looking at change of direction here. So, all right. So let's go to the daily. So looking at the daily, again, the same idea on the daily. If you look, price was moving quite nice. Oops. All right, so price was moving quite nice, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and now boom. Now we were creating that higher lows, and we're expecting price to push up, especially with this candle breaking this high. But now this candle decided to break that support. So I mean, now we're looking at change of direction, right? So yes, that's exactly what we're looking at. Donc si on regarde présentement sur le chart journalier, c'est un peu le même concept que le weekly, que la semaine. On crée des hauts plus hauts, des bas plus hauts. Et par contre, ici, on s'attendait à ce que le support soit fermé. Cette chandelle-là avait brisé le haut précédent, donc on était sûr qu'on allait continuer vers le haut. Mais à la place, ces chandelles-là ont fermé à la baisse et ont brisé ce support. Donc techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le bas. Mais là, on arrive à un support journalier. So right now, we're getting at this daily support right now. So are we going to break this one also? So we got to see. All right, let's take a look at daily. All right, so daily now, I mean, it's clearly, on this daily, it's clearly bearish right now, as you see. Where is this tool? Oh, here. So looking at the daily, as you see, price was coming down here. We created higher lows and lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, and now higher lows, high lower lows, higher lows, and now it looks like we're continuing down again, right? So now I'm gonna be looking at the downside, but this previous 4 hour had no bottom wick, so no top wick also. So what the hell is going on? So let's take a look left. Next area of problem should be right around here. Right, that makes sense. And this is gonna be a zone here. And now we gotta wait for this to close. So this is our zone. Donc ça c'est les zones sur nos 4 heures. Alright, looking at H1. Let's take a look at what's happening on the left side. And we have a zone here. And one right here. Okay. We have this, and now we just form support on this 1 hour. Alright, so basically what I'm putting right now is my golden zone. I'm also going to put my safety net here. Put it orange. And so this is my safety net for the fib level. And that 382 is right around that major QP. So we might see a big rejection here on that major QP because it's acting as a 382 level. So if I see a nice resistance form around that major QP, or if we see a resistance form in that golden zone, I'm going to be looking for sells. Donc si on regarde présentement, le niveau 382 est très près du QP majeur. Donc si je vois une résistance se former autour de ce niveau-là, je vais regarder pour une vente, ou dans la zone, dans la golden zone, je vais regarder pour une résistance aussi pour continuer vers le bas. So yeah, counter trend trade is super risky. I did one yesterday. It worked out pretty well, but this major QP is way too close for me. This is for me pretty dangerous. So I'm not gonna be taking a counter trend trade here. I'm gonna be waiting. So look like we have here on the 30-minute a nice engulfing support. Look like price wanted to go up but rejected this major QP. So we might see something coming down. But this doji candle for me is a write-off candle, so I need to see a nice resistance form. Donc pour moi ça c'est Formation doji, pour moi, c'est une chandelle que je ne compte pas car elle a ouvert et fermé pratiquement au même endroit. Donc, pour moi, je vais attendre pour une résistance plus solide. Alright, man. Whew, I'm thirsty. Talk way too much. Alright, so let's take a look at YouTube. Oh, Harmon, I see a message disappear. I see a message disappeared, Harmon. So I don't know. If you try to post a link, YouTube block links most of the time. Let's see here. Boblayan, okay, parfait. That's cool. Then hang out with Raja on his Forex. That's cool. Then hang out with what? What's going on here? Okay. So, so I don't know what you guys saying to each other in which language, but I don't know. Albert, le Zulu, man, c'est quelle discussion ça? Je comprends pas ce qui se passe et en quelle langue. Morning session, people. Morning. Armin, Sasha's a good guy. Keep things samples. Oh, thank you. So use fibs for the golden zone. Yes, correct. Good morning, Steve. Sacha, c'est polonais. Oh, ok. Et qu'est-ce que la discussion disait? Alright. Okay, so I guess, let's write our plan here. Waiting.
Oh, GJ is about to break support, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Boom. Alright, so here. Okay. So I guess we got our plan here. Let's take a look at this. Awesome. You know what? It would be better for my mind for this price to continue down. Because if this price goes back up, man, and hit that TP,
you
man.
Know that this one just ruined everything.
I would be so mad. But it's definitely something I'm gonna have to change because now with the challenge, I have to watch the drawdown, right? The daily drawdown. So that's something I completely forgot about that setup. So I'm gonna have to play around that, right? Man, I can't believe I did like close to 200 trades based on that setup, and 2 in a row, man. Man, trading plays with your mind, bro. Trading plays with your mind. Anyone right now having 2 losses in a row on the same setup will be like, oh shit, this setup's not working. You know? Oh, I'm gonna have to modify that setup, you know? But no, man. I believe in the setup and it worked. It's just like, it is what it is, right? So, it's 70. I did the math 72% accurate. So, guess what? The next couple trades gonna be winner, I guess, you know? So, it's a numbers game, you know? It's just a numbers game. It's too bad.
We start gripping some peeps almost every single day at London session. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, you guys are eating good in London session, guys. Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to start trading London session. Look at this party guy. What's up, Des?
Hey, Des. Hey, hi.
What's up, man?
Good morning, bro.
Good morning, party boy.
Sure does. Good morning, Francesco.
Yeah, so it was a big party.
No, like due to COVID lockdown, it was small party. It was like only 50, 40 members.
Okay.
You know about like Indian marriage, right? Like 1,000, 1,500 people together, and yeah, it was not like that. Yeah.
All right. All right, guys.
Have you
Please
attended,
on
have
YouTube,
you
make
attended any Indian marriages?
the what? Sorry.
Have you attended any Indian marriages?
No, never. Oh, actually, that's not true. I did one. Yeah, I did one. Actually,
Like,
I was actually they had a first celebration, with just their people, and after that they had another party, and I was the DJ.
there are so many rituals, you know. Like it runs for 7 days. Like marriage for like Indian marriage is like even Olympic tournament. Like it's
Wow. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We got 200 people here live, and we have only 60 likes. That'll be very appreciated. That's the only thing I ask, guys. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for anything. Just a little like. That'll be very appreciated. All right, so let's see. Let's see this chart here. This is coming from Dash. Here, we got fake out here. I don't think this was a fake out, because this is what the 1 hour. Yeah, this was just a new, just a resistance form. Price went down. We had this double bottom. Price came up, and that was the end of it, right? But I would not consider that as a fake out though. It was just like regular price movement. Price form a new low. Price went up, form resistance, continue down. Yeah, yeah. No, I wouldn't see that as a fake out, to be honest.
okay.
But yeah, I mean, we had this double bottom here, on
Yeah,
AUD.
that was my thinking. Like it made a double bottom. So
Yeah,
yeah,
fake
I
out
was
of the
thinking
double
like
bottom. Yeah, but even there, like if you look, let me grab something here. So if you look here, we got, this is the neckline, right, of this double bottom. So we got this, and this, right? Um, Price. What time was that? I don't know what time was that, but I mean, this you can take it on a dogtail setup, and you'll
translation. Yeah.
be grabbing your pips. And if not, you wait for break and retest, right? So you got your break, you got the retest, and now you go, but it actually went down. So yeah, so I can see why you call that a fake out. But yeah, I think it's just regular price movement. All right, so now let's see. Price broke the support and cleared traffic to the left. Yeah, awesome. 1 hour candle closed below the QP with strong bearish momentum, and we got the perfect dogtail setup. Oh, amazing. Fixed 15 pips. Amazing. Taking the entry after the break of the low of the candle with 2 position. Enter one position at 11 pips, another one at 15.
Close. That is close one.
Yeah, close. Oh yeah, that's what I guess. Okay, that's good, man. Phew, man, you guys are eating good.
Yeah.
Damn.
I think I think that Roman had taken the entry here. Taken to here also.
Yeah,
Yeah, I took first one and second one as well. Yeah.
that's nice. Whew.
Yeah, but I'm still scary to keep more than 12, 10 pips. I don't know why. I mean,
It comes with time. It comes with time, guys. Yeah, that's good, man.
almost every trade which I'm journaling, it moves more than 10 pips, at least
Yeah.
15. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I don't know. Yeah, that's why I am like doing 2 positions, splitting the risk, one at 11 pips and one at 15 pips. And after time, maybe I will cut that 11 pips and to consider that 15 pips. Yeah, taking slowly.
Yeah, that's it. You just need to build that confidence.
Yeah.
All right. Moving up. The likes are trending up. We are moving to 76 likes. All right, all right. If this 30-minute candle on GA breaks the low, yes, but we want to see a break and retest. At this time, it's too, for me, for my own personal rules, it's too early for impulse entry. How long you trading with GA and get profitable? GA's been pretty recent. I backtested it last year. I think around like September, October, November, December, and I started to trade GA. I think my first trade on GA was in January, if I'm not wrong. Let's valid, because if you're looking for any information about myself, it's super easy to find out. You go to my Trixie here. It's public. The link's in my bio on Instagram, so you can look. I think my first trade on GA, if I'm not wrong, was it in December? GJ, all GJ, all GJ, January. Oh, that was my first trade. Was in January, on the 28th. Oh no, hold on. Maybe my first one was earlier. So yeah, I got some in January here in the 19, and this was a winner. This GA was a loss, and this GJ was okay. No, GJ we don't care. GJ, look at this. I had like one. Yeah, that was rough. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row. Whew. I remember that. That was a big hit in my face. Yeah, so I guess I had my first 2 trades in January on GA. But my main pair is GJ. My second pair, my mistress, is GA. That's the 2 pair trade. Oh, Mr. Miller! Sacha arrête pas. Sacha arrête pas de London Session. Pour ça, je comprends, Phil. D'après moi, t'es sous. GA looks like better setup with these 2 bearish 30-minute. Yes. Again, GA look way better than GJ this morning. What time is it? 6:17. Okay. Je lui demandais s'il fait aussi passer Market Fluidity et il dit non et qu'il aimerait bien avoir les informations mais qu'il aime bien votre manière de... Ah, ok, super. Super. Hey Sacha, what's up? What's up, Romeo? Shane, what's up? It's happened. Not yet. Okay. Morning, Mr. Miller. Sasha, can you explain the dogtail setup? Yeah, we're gonna go over that. Hey, Sasha, I started with a $250 USD account last week, and so far only down $1.40. Oh, that's pretty good. But discipline and strategy getting better and better every day, thanks to you and the community. Oh man, you're welcome. Thank you very much for the kind word. Good morning, dog. Like the stream. All right, Yassine is on. Oh yeah, oh man, allergy. Oh please, go away. Give me 1 second. I need to mute myself. Whew. Oh man, terrible. Sorry, guys.
Bless you, Sasha.
Thanks. Ooh. All right. So, Marmus will join your mentorship program when you make me the money from live stream. Hey, That's exactly what Roman did here. Isn't it, Roman?
Yeah.
So he got money from the stream, and he paid his way up to the course. And actually now his course is fully paid by profits made with the course. So
Yeah, first week actually. Yeah, it's crazy, man.
first week? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
crazy. Wow. Crazy.
And community is growing. We have more than 20 people in the Zoom. This is great.
Yeah. I mean, we no, I think we are up to 30.
Oh,
I think
nice.
35, 36 students. I'm just getting started, like month and a half, 2 months. I can't remember, but not long ago. So it's pretty good. Pretty happy.
It's great, yeah.
But the thing I'm most happy of is everybody, like a lot of people is participating, and helping, and the group is really nice,
Yeah.
The group is really, really nice. So that's fun. Alright, so let's see here. So you were talking about that one setup that made you 100%. Can you talk about that setup? Thanks. Made you 100%. Made me 100%? Do you mean win a one to one? Is that what you mean? Because there's no setup that's 100% winner, right? That doesn't exist. The setup I've been backtesting it is over 200 trades. It's a little bit. Actually, if I do the math, it was. Hold on. So I do the math. It was 195 trade plus 7 after, right? So that's 202 trades, and I had 55, so 56 loss. So, and 147 winners. So 147 winners divided by 202.
Hey Roman.
Yeah, that's like 73% accurate.
Is your MT4 open?
What?
Is your MT4 open?
My MT4, yeah.
Close it, man. You have already 2 weeks. Close it.
Oh, that's good.
No, I'm not gonna take any trades today. Yeah, I'm just
Yeah, then close it. No matter.
yeah.
So let's see here in the Zoom chat. Who has the new connected that is being heard? Who has the news connected that's being heard? The news connected that's being. Who has the news connected that is being heard? I'm not sure what you're talking about, Mike. Oh, Baha, you will not hear my voice for 2 months. We started fasting 2 days ago, and it's really hard. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Ramadan. Yeah, someone challenging me to do it. I'm like, man, I don't know.
Don't even think about it.
Yeah, I'm too weak, man. I'm too
In
weak.
Indian marriage, we do. For 2 days, the brides do fasting.
Whew.
We start fasting 4:30 a.m. We break the fast at 8 p.m.
Wow.
So about
Oof, I don't know if I can do that, man.
you don't have to trust me.
Yeah, that's hard, man. Whew. But good luck with that.
Thank you.
All right. We got 98 likes coming up. Can we get to 150? Welcome, guys. If you're just joining, is that pollen allergy? Yeah, it's seasonal allergies. We
Hey,
can.
Sasha, isn't this a sell on GA? We are rejecting the major QP here.
Yes.
Should this be a sell?
on the break of the low of this previous candle?
Yeah, there's a lot of people who's gonna take that impulse entry. On my end, I wait for a close at this time. For me, in my personal rules, it's too early. I take impulse entry around 8 o'clock, because there's way too many time in the past I got tricked on the early impulse entry. So now I'm just waiting. I'm being more patient these days.
Got it.
Yes, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I can see it can work, but again, I prefer to miss the move, and respect my own rules. But yes, it's definitely something that can work on the break of that slow.
Yes, I was just trying to understand why are you
Yeah.
not taking it?
But you know what? If I
understood
see
now.
a close of this 1 hour, in like 45 minutes, no, not 45 minutes, 35 minutes. If I say close bearish, now we have a resistance form on H1, and that's pretty solid.
Yes.
Because this 30 minute, this first one was a doji right off candle, so I need another 30 minute to close bearish, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason why I'm not in it. So, but again, I can see that can work, but for me, it's too early for impulse entry.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right. Let's see. I did. Oh no, I did blow my funding talent account. Oh no. I said you many people jump into that trade. I said you. Oh, it takes time. Hold on, wait a second. I missed something.
It's for Malik. Yeah, it's for Malik.
Oh, Malik?
Yeah, actually, we were discussing one trade, and yeah, that's
Oh, okay. All right. So let's see here the chat on YouTube. That NY dogtail. Oh, okay. Also, basically, someone asked about the dogtail setup. So the dogtail setup is basically, actually, let's put somewhere that, actually that can be a good example. So let's say you're waiting to break this QP. Okay, so let's say you're waiting for candle to break. So let's say you got this candle right here that break and close under this QP. So you want the next candle to form that tail first, and once it breaks the low, you enter right here. Whoop. You go. You gotta mute yourself. Okay, I'm gonna mute Hugo. Hey man, Hugo has the right, man, because Hugo is paying gift to people, right? So he has the right to talk,
Yeah. I just remembered yesterday's video about German language.
Yeah, oh yeah, that was funny, man. Yesterday was funny. That video was funny. So anyway, so hopefully this answered the question about the dogtail setup. Yeah. And yesterday, I got my NY dogtail setup on that funding talent challenge account. So basically, this setup is different. It's the NYSC dogtail setup. This one is different. I always go for 1-for-1 on that one. So basically, the entry was right here, and stop was right here, and TP was right here. Yeah, right here. So almost got it, and A came back and took me out by 1 pip. So yeah, it is what it is. But the other thing I'm gonna have to change with this setup is I need to close before the end of the day, because if not, I'm kind of screwed on drawdown on the next day. So it is what it is. Yes. Let's see. Where I was in the, all right, so Cut any trade today. Oh. Was saying don't do London session. Oh, okay. Je ne comprends, Phil. Does dogtail setup work on 4 hours? Probably. I didn't really test it on 4 hours, but it should work. But the thing with dogtail setup, it's based with volume movement, right? So that's why I only use that setup when there's volume in the market. Check out GBP NZD, it's good as well. Yeah, I checked it in the past, maybe a year ago. I was looking at it, but I decided to focus on GG and GA. So, alright, so this 30-minute close, and you see that's why you are waiting. So this is a doji, and that's why I'm being patient. Oh, we can. Oh, that was gross. Still hear you, huh? Okay. Rick, is there a YouTube video explaining the strategy? I guess if you go, well, I mean, if you stick with us, you'll know exactly how we do it, and you can also see. So if you go here, and you go, I think in videos, there's tons of live video. You can see how we trade, but there's also simulation here that will give you a good idea on how I do things. Also, I think I have a lot of stuff. There's another simulation right here. So it would give you an idea. It's mostly based on price action, and also use some tools, right? Fibs and QPs, which is quarter points. Yeah, so basically right now the plan is really simple. We want price to come down. We form a new low. So this, let's identify that. So new low. And we know that 80% of the time when a new low is formed, this new low is going to be retested. So we need price to come up, form resistance, and push the price back down to retest this low and eventually breaking it, right? So it's either I'm looking for resistance form around this major QP or a resistance form in this golden zone, one or the other. So pretty simple, no indicators, no nothing. Indicators usually laggy, so it's not gonna help you. I prefer to understand price action. If you understand price action, you don't need any indicators. Yeah. We need to get together one day with the group on Zoom or something, Sasha. Oh yeah, for sure. We talked about that. We definitely definitely do something like like a little Zoom party, having a drink all together and just chatting, and yeah, for sure. But we also gonna do a real live get together for anyone who can attend, and as soon as the pool is open in the backyard, and as soon as the C word situation is better, we're gonna get some people over, and yeah. Kasim, do you stream daily? I only stream last week I streamed pretty much every day, and the reason why is Raja wasn't there, so I wanted to help the community. But technically, I stream. If you look at this banner right here, you can see the schedule. So if you go on YouTube, you look at the banner, you see the schedule right here. Why? Alright, so real. Why do I have a high spread in gold? I'm using IC market because gold's expensive. I don't know. My gold is at what? My spread on gold right now is pretty low. It's 1.2. It's pretty good actually. Let's take a look at gold. Actually, let's go over some questions before, because I didn't receive any chart on gold. So, let's see. Check out GBP and ZD. Oh, send a chart, Jay. Send a chart, and we'll take a look at it. Oh man, I missed a lot of message. Oh shit, I'm late. Am I that late? Oh no, I think I'm. Do you do one-on-one with your students? Oh yes. Do we have any students here live that we did one-on-one that can confirm that? We have a lot of new people that we didn't do one-on-one yet, but I know for a fact there's. Actually, I'm having a one-on-one with Dash today, if I'm not wrong, and we did. Who's online right now? John, we didn't do it. Kevin, Malcolm, we did it, I think, if I'm not right.
With me too?
Oh, with Mike, yeah, you're right, Mike. So I was the one-on-one.
Nice.
It was nice.
Mine very soon, Sasha. Mine.
Sorry, Simon?
Mine very soon. I will ask for.
Sure, no problem.
One-on-one.
Yeah, so a lot of the people are new and they cannot do the one-on-one. And the reason why there's some stuff I asked them to do first before doing one-on-one. First of all, they need to finish the course. They need to set up their trading plan, finding their why they're trading. They got a couple of steps to do before we set up one-on-one. But after that, yes, we do one-on-one with students. When is the leverage going to be unrestricted like it was before? Has anyone heard any news? Oh, no clue, man. No clue about that. Bonjour Sacha, bonjour Kassim. If you do the fasting challenge, I will send you a present. Man, je sais pas, Kassim. Non, je suis pas sûr, man. Vraiment pas sûr, pas certain.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's whew. Yeah, I don't know if I can do that. Hey Lauren, welcome. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Shane, get 6-month allergy shot. You'll never have it again. Check out GBBNZD. Yes, and a chart. Hey guys, don't forget to give a like to the stream. Hey Cole, you're on YouTube and okay, on Zoom also. Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure you had the awesome. Don't forget to give a like to the stream, guys. What time is it now? It's 6:38. Okay, we're good. So you see impulse entry here. That wasn't a good idea. So that's why I wait. Because there's way too many times I got trapped into something like this. Hey, what's up, Rages? Oh, Rages, I forgot to answer your question yesterday at Forex Talk Over Beer. Basically, one thing is, I think maybe I don't know, maybe you're spending a lot of time on the chart. Maybe you should, have a little bit more balance, and having fun doing something else. And, because if you're feeling burnt out, you need to get away from the chart. That's the first thing. You should get away from the chart for a couple of days and regroup and come back stronger, right? But definitely, I mean, you gotta set up some specific time that you're looking at the chart, and after that, you move on with your day. Because if not, man, those screens gonna suck you in. So I mean, you gotta get away from those screens. Like me, my time is like from 5:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. or 10-ish a.m. and that's it. And after that, I'm gone. Like yesterday, I entered that trade and I placed my partial TPs, my TP, my stop loss, and I was gone. I was like, I'm not looking at the chart. So yeah, you need to do your things and go outside, do something, right? I think structure has form, bro. Why are you not buying it? By the way, I'm a newbie. Maybe I'm wrong. Buying it here. Yeah, I mean, the problem with buying here is we are in a downtrend right now. So we want price to come back up right around this area in that golden zone. We're going to form resistance and I'm going to looking to take a sell, There's people who's going to take a buy up to the here. That's what I did yesterday. I did a counter trend trade, but most of the time I trade with the trend, I like to take trade based on the trend. I think okay. Are you still in the? Oh, okay. You guys talking to each other. Got it. Thanks. Okay, perfect. Why do I have a high? Okay, answer that. Yeah, Shazam. So it's like kind of an impulse entry, but you gotta wait absolutely for that tail to form first. Hey Sasha, what do you think about 5% risk? I mean, it all depends on what you're feeling comfortable with. I'm not. The max I usually gonna risk is around like 3%. Do you do one-on-one with your students? Yes. Oh, I answered that already. Sorry. Are you taking trades at the retail as well? Yes. How much? Okay. What a dogtail setup. We just explained the dogtail setup, so maybe you can rewind the stream a little bit and you'll understand it. FX magic. So just rewind, I guess, couple minutes, and you'll see I just explained it. Let's see here. GU and GJ has been in a dog shit this entire week, in my opinion. Oh yeah, definitely, man. GJ has been horrible. That GA on 30 minutes is reset. Go short. Oh, okay. I think that GA on the 15 is really clear. It's showing price struggling to break the downside. Yeah, the problem with 15 minute is a super weak confirmation time frame. So I don't take trades on 15 minutes anymore. I lost way too much money based on 15 minutes. So now I'm like out of 15 minutes. I sneak peek into it to see what's up, but that's it. I don't take trades on 15 minutes. And if I miss the move, I miss the move. Fuck it. Sasha, have you ever been to Bangkok? No, Armin, never. But yeah, one day. Good morning from Saipan. Saipan? S-I-P-N. Where is Saipan? What is Saipan? Hold on, let me Google that. Île Marianne du Nord. Whoa! Man.
Where is
What? What's up? Wow, man. You're in the water.
That's scary, man. I would never.
Holy, that is impressive. Hey, welcome, man. Welcome. Welcome, Ryan. Wow. I didn't know that. What?
I have no idea that I just did.
You gotta zoom in, like, Philippines right here. Cavite Sud is right here. So right in between Australia and oh, okay. Wow, there's a couple island here. Wow.
Indonésie.
Hey, c'est petit en tabarnak, man.
Je voudrais jamais vivre là. Impossible. That would scare me.
Wow, man. Hey, man.
Texas, baby. Texas. San Antonio.
San Antonio, yeah. Wow, wow, man, that's sick. I love the fact that we have people from all around the world, man. It's just like it's amazing. It amazed me so much.
People said it's scary.
I hate
It's,
water. I hate water.
why do you hate water? Water is fun, man.
I know, when I was younger, I almost drowned when I went to Panama. Oh, man.
Yeah, I guess that's why.
You're not alone, Milan. Get scared about when water is over my head. I'm not there, no, ain't no chance.
Yeah.
Um,
I know it.
Oh, you're right, Dash. I think it's Friday. You're right. It's Friday night. Oh no, that's tomorrow. It's Friday night.
It's Saturday, Sunday, what?
There we go. I was waiting for someone to follow here.
Love this song.
Yeah, me too, man. Market is not going anywhere, guys. Take the time off and come back next week. Yeah, that's it. What is major QP? Major QP is a major quarter point. This purple line, those are major QPs. So those are very, very, very well respected. They're strong key levels. Armin, bro, if 30-minute candle close strong bearish on J, will you take a short? Yes, but it's not the case. It doesn't look like it. So basically at this stage, what I wanted is H1 to flip bearish, but I like the fact that price is pushing up right now. I want to see, because don't forget, guys, if you're taking a short here, the range is really small to the next support. So I prefer to have price to go up around here, form resistance, and push back, and we're gonna have way more space for sells, you know. So because it tried to sell here, it's trying to sell a low, so you want to sell higher, right? So yeah.
And JA loves golden zones.
Yeah. So plus the price needs to go right around in that golden zone. But again, that QP is also the 382. So we gotta keep that in mind.
Okay, it's a major one, yeah.
Yeah, because if you do this,
Yeah.
so you see the 382 is right here.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Today feels like a good day to do swimming. Yeah, should be good. Here it's not looking good
Not
today.
here. Yeah, not here.
Doesn't look good today.
Nothing good.
I might go run though this morning.
It's snowing here. I'm so
Oh,
done with
what?
this now. I'm leaving. It's snowing.
Wow.
Oh, yesterday I reached target on Nike. Yeah, you did. I saw Roman. Good job, man.
Oh yeah, you did 7K, man.
Yeah. Later though. 3 days
Yeah, that's
You know
good,
the
man.
challenge. Are you in the challenge for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Yeah. First time, it was the worst time of running. You mean I almost died this time. Second time was okay, and yesterday I enjoyed it actually. So
Yeah.
it was
Yeah, it takes a couple of time. It's yeah, I'm feeling better now, but I'm still like the last day I ran, I had the wind straight in my face. It was so hard, man.
If you go at a good pace, you get to enjoy it. But my first run, kind of like you, Roman, I was like, I used to be a good runner. I'm just gonna go super fast. I think I lasted 20 minutes and I barely did 3 kilometers. Like I was so done because I pushed it too hard. You just gotta go at a good pace, then you're good.
Yeah.
Once tsunami in that island is gone.
I think I saw your brother on Nike's app, right?
Yeah, you saw it.
You look so similar. I mean, like.
He's my twin.
Okay. Now I get it.
Really?
He's my twin. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Wow. Good morning from Arizona. Oh, nice. Yeah, man, living on an island, Ryan. That's pretty dope. Hope you got your floaties, man. Where's the music, Sasha? Oh man, you guys are so right.
Music.
Where's the music?
Where's Baha? Baha usually tells us to put music
Yes. You're right. Where's the music? Free a beat. I guess.
Yesterday was a nice country music, yeah.
Yeah, I cannot play that one though, cause
Yeah,
YouTube. But I guess where's this one I like? There's a one that's very upbeat.
Up. Last night.
Yeah, that one is soft. I think it's this one. Is this one? Oh yeah, it's this one. This one is so happy. Is that too loud?
No, that's fine.
Where's my chart? Oh, here. Yeah, thank you for the music reminder. Probably forgot about it this morning. Then bro, I just that the perks of living in the Caribbean every day is a good day to go swimming. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, I love the Caribbeans, man. I miss my cruise in the Caribbeans, man. Ugh.
Oh man, it's so much fun.
I can't wait to go back. It's just like I just want to go now. All the way from Kenya. Hey, what's up? Welcome, man. Music's good. All right, Zoom will be open today. No, unfortunately, we're back to regular schedule. I need to spend more time with students. And we have now we're having a lot more students and need to make sure we have enough Zoom space. So yeah, unfortunately, Zoom will not be open to public today. All right, guys, man, where's all the charts from everyone?
I'm sending you one right now. Actually, I'm doing gold.
Yeah, what's up with that? Where are you from, Sasha? I'm from Montreal, Canada. Yes.
Sasha, I have shared my good idea on Discord. Actually. That's it.
Yeah, even oh yeah, here that would make sense if you break this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. That's what 30 minutes. Yes. Yeah, I was
Yeah, this.
I looked at it a little earlier, and I mean, just like, man, this is terrible. It's like GJ. Um,
Yeah, it's ranging actually. I don't know if we will have the same things that happened yesterday. So it was ranging and it break down.
yeah, we need to break this. I mean, for gold, you want to see something above like 1750.
Yeah. Tem isto há algum more shows like depois além da activity. E goes in the chat.
Seeing traffic on the left. Need to close above resistance. we had a we have a running gag with Mr. Miller with the trend line, so that's actually funny. That's actually really funny. That's a good one. If we can close higher,
If we can't close higher, I mean like above resistance, we're gonna come retest the zone.
Okay.
But similar to Simon, we're just waiting now. It needs to close above.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Same idea.
Nice. Simon is our gold trader over here. We need to follow him.
Oh my God, no. no.
He's like, no, don't say anything.
Yeah, okay.
You're funny.
He's our dog gold master.
He is our gold master.
Oh my God, no, guys, come on.
This guy is super humble. No, I'm not here.
Yeah.
GJ is breaking your zone.
Probably gonna back that, do a paper trade here. If I see a support form on 15-minute on gold, I might paper trade that and see if volume can break this zone.
Sasha, look at GJ. It will stop
GJ.
you anyway, so yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Finally!
Yeah.
What is going on though?
There's 2 minutes left of this candle. Puis on est vraiment proche de 750, so
So today we're gonna be careful. We got some core retail sales news. Retail sales around 8:30. So this can have an impact. And if you look here, do we have anything that came out now for this price to start pushing down?
Sorry, Sasha. Look at GA. It looks very nice. So we are creating a resistance right now, and it's pretty strong bearish candle, I think.
Holy!
But QP is right at the face.
yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Like GA and GJ have a QP right there.
I think
Yeah, but this 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know. And at this stage, the problem is if you take a sell here, you have like 15 pips to the support, so it's too tight.
Yeah, we may sell below this new low that you have. So I think it's better.
You can just form.
Alright, so GJ now form resistance right at this major QP, form engulfing candle. You know what? This looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna grab an entry right here actually. Let me see. Let's have a 15 pip stop loss and let's see here.
I'd like to see a wake up.
Yeah, I want to see a wake up and actually grab a first entry here and we'll see how it goes. If we retrace up, probably gonna grab another entry. I like the fact that we have a nice engulfing candle. Usually I wait for a break and retest, but this 1 hour is really powerful. This 1 hour is really powerful, and this is not an impulse entry. I'm taking this based on the entry of the candle, because I mean I see volume in this, and yeah, we should be able to break this level. Yeah, nice, right on the dot of this major QP, resistance engulfing. Yeah, should continue down. But of course, if price comes back in that range, you know, I'm gonna be exiting the position. I'm risking only 1% here, so not gonna go crazy. If we have a break and retest, I'm gonna add probably 2 other percent. All right. If it was 30-minute, I would have definitely waited for break and retest. But this 1 hour is a really good sign. Yep, there goes the top wick. So now we're gonna need to form that top wick and come back down.
If the 750 wasn't there, I'd be more comfortable.
Yeah, of course that 750 is a little scary, to be honest. That's why I'm only risking 1% on that one. Nice, bro. How's the weather up here? Carlos, the weather today, it's not pretty. It's getting warmer, but still a little cold. My man, found kick. Oh. What do I have to do to be one of your students? Oh, pretty simple. You need to go on. Actually, wait a second. Let's open up this. And you just need to go to FXDAWGZ Academy. Actually, the link's in the description. Right here. And you click on join the pack. And you select the course. And that's it. Pretty simple. G dropping, yes. But we want to see right now. I mean, taking an entry here. I mean, it make no sense because you only have like what? You only have like 15 pips to the next support. So it's way too tight. If G close bearish and next candle form a wick, I'm looking to sell, targeting lows. If G close bearish and next candle form a wick. Okay, so I guess you can get it. But it's really tight though. Plus you're right here, this QP. I don't know. At this stage, I mean, it's either price gonna come back up and form resistance here, or after that I want to see a break and retest under that new support, right? Lived in Dollar des Ormeaux 2 years now in Buenos Aires. Oh, where's my stop loss? I used a fixed 15 pip stop loss.
DDO.
Huh?
Mon coin c'est DDO. Dollar des Ormeaux.
No. So I use a fixed stop loss. All right. Let's see here. What about gold? Gold is good. Oh, yeah, that's not a strong. Yeah. Ooh. Someone's on Discord.
Et moi puis Simon.
Oh.
What's up, what's up?
Oh ben, monsieur la moustache.
What's up? Hey, moi puis Jimmy, on arrive à Stia.
Vous dormiez-tu ensemble? Vous avez passé la nuit ensemble? C'est pour ça que vous avez un temps?
Non, c'est un bout, je suis là, mais c'est... Gigi a la dépression incarnée, man. J'attends GA, le perso, il est clean.
Ouais, c'est juste qu'il était trop bas.
GNG.
Look at GJ. GJ's been retarded.
Au moins, GA, il trend depuis lundi.
Ouais, absolument.
Depuis le début d'avril, j'ai pris un seul trade avant 7h30. Puis ce trade-là, il était perdant. C'est le seul setup que j'ai pu opérer avant 7h30. Fait que j'arrive à 7h à cette heure.
That's it, man.
Surtout qu'hier, là j'étais en hésitation. Je me disais, ouais, c'est-tu parce que le market en ce moment il fait juste dormir dans ces heures-là, puis qu'à un moment donné ça va me tirer dans la face. Hier j'arrive, je m'en vais voir le replay du stream à Raja, je vois qu'il y a eu une lose avant ces heures-là, j'ai fait ok, c'est parfait. On va arriver à 7h sur les charts.
Ah ouais, c'est bien correct.
Faut savoir s'adapter, les boys.
Ben ouais.
Si je vois le market flip dans 2 mois puis que tout le volume il est entre 5h puis mettons 7h, ben là on s'adaptera, là, comme tu dis.
Ben oui.
You got stopped out.
J'étais devant mon écran, là, je bavais. J'étais là,
No, I didn't got stopped out on GJ. I didn't get stopped out on GJ, and it doesn't look good though. So that's why he went for break and retest wise. So that's why I only risk it 1%, and based on this engulfing bearish candle closing under our range, took an entry on the opening of the candle, and yeah. So.
750 reacting.
Yeah, the last time, look at this. All the last time we reached 750, we pushed back up. The past 2 times. So that's this.
Tu prenais plus les breakouts?
True, c'est ce que j'ai expliqué. Je prends pas les breakouts. Je l'aurais pas pris. Si c'était sur le 30 minutes, je l'aurais pas pris.
Ah, c'est d'une heure.
Ouais, c'est 1 heure, puis check la belle résistance, là, engulfing, tu sais. J'étais comme, ok, là, c'est beau, là. Mais non.
C'était fucking setup-là, il marcherait genre à New York Hope.
Exact. Fait que là, je vois le journal, puis ça va être fini après.
Ça me fait capoter.
So, if this one doesn't turn out good, my new rule is gonna be not even taking breakouts on H1. So I had a rule that not taking breakouts on 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna add no more H1 breakout either. So I'm gonna be done with breakouts totally, and that's gonna be only break and retest 30-minute in H1, and fuck it. So it will be the last attempt on breakout on H1. So I did that already on 30-minute like a couple weeks ago, and I was like, all right, I'm done with breakouts, and look like it's gonna be, I don't know. So far it's still in play, but doesn't look good.
Ça dépend aussi dans quel environnement que t'es. Tu lèves un breakout, c'est rough parce qu'à gauche on a tellement de bruit, mais.
Ouais. Ah non, absolument. Man. Mais c'est juste qu'en plus, cette chandelle-là, la dernière chandelle, là, elle a poussé vraiment fort dans les dernières minutes en bas. Là. Fait que j'étais comme, ok, il y a vraiment du momentum. Là.
Direct sur 150 en plus qui rejette.
Ouais, absolument.
Nous verrons.
Nous verrons. But if we have a break and retest, I'm gonna add 2%. Someone took short on GA. Oh, okay. Let's take a look.
Ça aurait pu être nice s'il n'y avait pas le quarter point.
Bon, ça aurait pu être nice s'il n'y avait pas le support à 15 pips.
Aussi.
The problem with that sell is the support is right in your face. It's like not even 15 pips, it's 14 pips. So it's way too tight of a range.
Qui c'est qui veut rentrer fucking 22 pips de stop pour en faire 14?
Non, mais c'est ça.
Pas moi.
Man, si le trade va 22 pips contre la direction de ton trade, c'est pas
sûr que t'es dans le bon bord.
Je suis pas sûr de dans le bon.
Enlève ton stop puis tu bailles à ton stop.
C'est bon. Oh.
Ça, c'est une bonne stratégie, ça. J'haïs pas ça. Let's see here. I'm down 4% on funding time verification with 20 days to go. Any advice? Oh, hey, I'm down 4% also on my funding time account. 2 trades, 2% trades back to back. And huh? Bang. But you know what? The good news is that setup I'm using for that funding time challenge account, after doing over 200 trades, backtesting it, my ratio is 72% win rate. So I know I'm good for another loss, and after that I'm going to be 7 wins, so it should be fine. So you know, well, that's what it is, right? It's a numbers game, right? So
You need to be a good loser.
I mean, it just sucks that it happened on the first one, you know. You know, but it's part of the game. But yeah, I mean, if you're down 4% and you are on verification right now, I mean, you gotta be super picky about like the setup you're gonna take. You know, you are in verification. You only have 4% profit to do. So basically, you win 2 trades of 2% or 4 trades of 1%, whatever, and you got your verification. So don't take impulse entry. Don't take stupid shit in a range. Wait for market to show you something very strong. You still have 20 days. That's way more than what you need. But if you're not picky about it, and you just take a trade because you want to take a trade, let me tell you, man, you're gonna get screwed. You know, you're gonna blow that account. You're gonna blow that challenge. So.
Is that Malcolm?
No. That's someone on YouTube. Willie Key.
Really, boy, will he pass the challenge or not?
He did pass the challenge. He's on verification.
No.
Oh, Willie passed the challenge. Oh, that's a good one.
Si t'avais eu ça, j'avais pas assez
Yeah,
longtemps.
oh, I got stopped out.
Ah.
Alright, so first loss on GJ.
Y a pas de story IG pour entendre le bruit du stop loss.
True that. So let's post that. So early stop loss here. I'm gonna post that. I don't hide behind my losses. I show my loss. So.
Un bruit pour le stop loss?
Non, il n'y a pas de bruit pour le stop loss.
Imagine-toi qu'il y a un bruit genre de.
Ouais.
Un bruit genre de. Cap les mains, quelque chose qui est fucking gossant.
Ouais.
Alright, so first loss on GG for. Hold on, wait a second.
Ça fait un petit bout là.
This has been a while I didn't get a loss on GJ. I'm just curious. My last loss on GJ. This was GA. When?
Like 2 weeks ago.
That was here on the 19. Hold on, wait a second. This is January.
You're on the right month.
Hold on, wait a second. Last loss was, I was like, we're not even the 19 yet. I was like, what the fuck? So hold on, wait a second. This is GA. Oh shit. Actually, my last loss on GJ was here on March 31st.
Ben oui. C'est parce que c'est la deuxième fois du mois que tu le tradais tellement qu'il est dégueulasse. Peut bien
Ouais, c'est ça. So it is what it is. So minus 15 pips, 1%. Alright, that's it.
alright. Did you cut partials some way or?
No, it's just like, fuck it.
It was a full 1%.
Yeah. It was a full percent. So, alright. First loss on GJ since
Vieille semaine en crème.
On va jouer les chats. Fuck off.
Non.
Il se passe tellement fuck off.
My last day today, I'm leaving tomorrow. Let's go.
Hein? Tu t'en
Je
vas?
reviens demain.
Tu
Je
reviens.
reviens au Québec.
Ah! That's it?
Yeah.
Dun,
Ça fait
dun.
4 mois que je suis ici. Je suis arrivé ici le 1er décembre. 4 freaking months.
C'est tannant?
Yeah.
Ah ouais? C'est pas genre, y'a pas des. Ben, il doit y avoir des beaux paysages et tout, non?
Yeah, but.
Mais on
John, Saint John.
It's boring as fuck.
Oh, good.
Bon, Shawinigan, c'est pas mieux.
My friend lives in Shawinigan.
Ooh.
James Bourassa.
Ah, I know him.
Il est plus vieux que toi, il est genre 26, c'est mon nom.
Alright.
Ah ouais, mais.
Okay.
Il prend des photos pis tout, là?
Yeah.
Ah ouais.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see here. Is there anyone who does live streaming in Spanish? I have friends from Mexico who are looking into Forex trading. They don't know English very well.
Someone does, but Roger would know.
I can't remember.
Karen doesn't stream in Spanish, no?
Who?
I don't know.
Karen.
Oh, he doesn't stream in Spanish.
No.
He did some Spanish gold review on with us, but there's I don't know. It must be someone that's streaming it in Spanish for sure.
Someone, I just can't remember.
But the only one that I know in Spanish, what the fuck is that?
¿Qué te pasa, chico?
¿Qué te pasa, chico?
So in Spanish, I think this woman does a lot in Spanish.
Muy guapísima.
So she seems pretty good trader, to be honest. I've been looking at this stuff and yeah, so I mean, well, of course you got some lifestyle stuff here, but let's yeah, it is what it is. I guess it's
For life and profit.
I should have learned Spanish actually.
I think she's here. I guess entrada.
Spanish.
Can you do entrada? Entrada. Entrada. What's entrada?
Purple FX one.
Yeah.
Intraday.
So yeah, you got the course here. So I heard she's pretty good. So I don't know. I cannot confirm if she's good or not because I don't understand Spanish. But looking at her chart, I saw some stuff that made totally sense. So I don't know.
Donc, for life and profit, c'est genre une dérive de forever. Mais je sais pas si c'est la même affaire en vrai.
Oh, tu parles de Forever and Profit?
Non, il y a for life and profit aussi.
Oh yeah, you're right.
C'est pas mal toute la même affaire, mais en espagnol.
Actually, there's this guy in Spanish, but he's only do crypto.
Ah, ok.
Yeah, he's from Quebec and Ryan Gilpin also, but he's from.
Non, t'as raison, il a dérivé juste crypto, lui, ça.
C'est ça. He's from FIP, but he created his own stuff. He's only doing crypto. What time is it? 7:20. All right. So here goes my new rules, and you guys gonna experience that live. So here goes the new rules. Sasha will not take any more breakouts on 30-minute. That was already confirmed. But now I'm adding this new rule, no more breakout on H1. So now I'm strictly and only waiting for break and retest or dogtail setup out of a consolidation zone. And that is it. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm done. Completely done. Alright, so let's see here. Took short on GA. Oh, okay. After 1 hour.
Sasha, what about if we go down now and we break the low now?
No.
The dogtail setup will be, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's too early for the dogtail setup. On my end. I take dogtail setup around 8.
Okay.
Yeah, or after. But not before. But yeah, it will definitely probably gonna work. But the scary thing about this here, it's look at this. So look, grab an arrow here. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You know, this level's being holding pretty much. So every time we got a support form here and here, price shoot up.
Oh yeah. That's a dog shit level.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Sasha,
yep.
yeah, but there was a day I think it was a couple weeks ago, you were saying that if you take a trade like on the 1 hour, you would use percentage and put your stop loss based on the 1 hour candle.
Yes and no. Meaning if the stop loss is way too big, I'm gonna use percentage based. But in this case, percentage was big, okay, but I can still use like a 15 pip stop loss. So I don't need to use percentage base, you know. And the reason why is if I use a 15 pip stop loss, okay, I'm gonna give you an example. Short here. So let's say I enter here on the opening of this candle. 15 pips makes totally sense, and the reason why in my entry was a little, with the pips, I actually got stopped by 1 pip actually. So anyways, doesn't matter. So here 15 pips, actually right around here. So 15 pips stop loss. That sucks. I just realized. Let me put this here. Okay, perfect. So by putting stop loss right here, I'm back in this range, right? So for me, it doesn't make sense to have my stop above here. I mean, because technically, if we're coming back all the way over here, trade's gonna be invalid anyways. So that's why when you have a range like this, you can place your stop back in that range, and because you're expecting price to continue down, it's a breakout. So when you see a breakout, it means that there's volume that just coming down and break that zone, and you're expecting price to continue moving down. So if price suddenly comes back up in that range, that trade idea is invalid, So that's why it doesn't, putting the stop above here. Yeah, it's something you can do using percentage wise, and having a bigger stop. That's something you can also do. On my end, I don't feel the needs to do it because, I mean, if it goes back all the way up here, it's invalid anyways, right? So comes down to the same result at the end, right?
Yeah, man, I see what you're saying.
But if the stop loss, like if I didn't have an area to put my stop loss, like kind of right around, let's say the price was trending hard, right? And I don't have any areas, yeah, I will put like a percentage based, and I put my stop above the previous 30 minutes.
Because now, if you look at a lot of maybe 1 hour breakouts, let's say in the future, and you see that it's always maybe retracing maybe 10, 15 pips, but still goes in the right direction.
Yeah.
And I guess in that case, you probably might now reassess.
Yeah, or you know what? By waiting here for that break and retest, I mean, I'm gonna have almost the same entry, but with less drawdown.
Yeah.
So.
More confidence too.
Yeah, more confidence. I can risk more. Instead of entering like a 1% trade, I can enter, let's say, a 3% trade because I got more confidence in that one, and that's gonna be a bigger winner, right?
Yeah. Gotcha.
So the most important thing, guys, is if you're going into a breakout or something more risky, always reduce your risk, and on a good setup, increase your risk. Not over leveraging, of course, but increase your risk. So like this, you're making sure that your winner is always bigger than your losers. So that's the only way you can be in profits at the end, getting your winner bigger than your loser. And there's many ways that you can do that. That's not only by managing risk or cutting losses short. Yes, that's one way. The other way is to take more risk on a better setup. So if you reduce your setup that you take, you reduce the amount of trade you take, and you focus on quality instead of quantities. I mean, you don't have to manage risk that much, right? Because you're not taking risky setups anymore. So, I mean, you can risk more. So let's see here. Thanks a lot. Feel comforting. Oh yeah, passed the challenge and onto verification now. Yeah. Why does the price tend to turn around if the setup occurs in a small range, like for example in GA right now? I mean, you gotta understand price action. I mean, those are areas. Those support and resistance are areas. That means it's not specifically here at this level. It can be anywhere around this area. It's going to be a problem and a rejection. And here you have a pretty good hint. You got this QP right there in your face. This QP level, it's rejection zone, right? So you had like what, 7 pips, before that QP. So that's a tight range. That means that there's less room for price to continue down before getting rejected. Do you check fundamentals before adding position or pretty technical? Mostly technical. Of course, I sneak peek into news and see what's happening, but I don't base my trade of that, you know. Of course, if I see something crazy, you know, of course I'm not gonna go trade against that. But I'm not gonna be trading with it. Also, I'm just gonna let that news pass. Gonna wait for market to calm down and take the next setup, right? Sasha, are you going to re-enter if it breaks its own low? Probably not. Probably not. I'll wait for a break and retest or a dogtail setup. But this one looked like it's 7:30 right now, so it just closed back in that range. So at this stage, this trade is invalid. So now we're gonna wait for a break and retest, right? Or now I need a bearish candle to close. So what I'm gonna be looking at is there's two options. So it's either the first one, this candle comes here. Let me grab another color here. So let's do this. So I want this candle to close bearish kind of right here. I want the next candle to come up, create that tail, and once it breaks the low, I'm gonna enter right there. That's first option. Second option, I want this candle to break like this and close here. Second one that goes like this, and third one that melts, right? So that's going to be the two options I'm going to be looking at. But again, remember the last two times we rejected this 750 level, price pushed up. So that's something. Look, actually the three time, 1, 2, 3. The three time we went to this level, we rejected it to the upside. So maybe we're gonna do the same thing again. And I'm not looking for buys because right now, I mean, we're creating higher lows and lower lows. So I mean, we're trending down in this enter session, right? So GG is very dirty this week. Oh yes. Yeah, GG, pretty brutal. Last week was beautiful, man. Last week was a perfect week on GJ.
It was trending.
Oh yeah, last week it was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Après, sell, and within 10 minutes we were at the BTP. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it was a beautiful week. Actually, guys, all those trades we took last week, you can actually see it on the YouTube channel because last week I streamed every day last week. So that was the only week I streamed every day. So if you want to take a look at setups, how we trades, take a look at last week's stream, and yeah, you're gonna learn a lot, man. You're gonna learn a lot. Man, those streaming are worth so much money. You guys have no idea.
It's also your journal. If you want to know how you react and stuff, you can just go back.
Sasha, how do you do backtest? Do you use a simulator? Yes, I use soft Forex. So if you go to my profile on IG, you click here, and you got here Forex simulator, soft Forex.
T'as-tu un promo code pour ça ou c'est juste...
Ouais.
Ah ouais, nice.
Yes, this is an affiliate link for this simulator. So yeah, so I mean, simulator works great. You can also use replay, or let's say you have a Trixie. Let's say you have Trixie. Guys, if you have Trixie, you don't even need to pay TradingView to do simulation. You can actually go on Trixie, and you can do the replay mode. So you can go like this and say, okay, perfect, price is moving. So let's move 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. You can do simulation like this. So that's another way you can backtest for free, you know. So, which is actually good. So if you're low in money, you can grab this. Actually, if you want to try Trixie, I don't get nothing out of this because I'm already not paying my Trixie. But if you use this coupon, it will give you, I'm gonna paste it in the YouTube chat. If you use this coupon, it gives you, your friend gets 50% discount. And I think it's $8 per month, so 50%, it's $4. So that's not much for having the best trading journal, to be honest. This is the best tool you can have. All our students get 45 days for free. That's a deal we got with them. And yeah, we also have $20 discount on Magic Key for students. We got a couple of stuff. We got some deals with Black Bull Market. We got something else I'm working on. But yeah.
On the DL.
You.
On the down low.
So if my execution price is very close to QP, I should not take that trade, right? Considering the range. It's not that you should not take the trade, but you should be, you know, aware that it might be an area of problem, you know. And there's different QPs, and QPs, depending on the level of the QPs, they react differently. I tried Forex, but I can't pay for it because the payment method isn't supported in my country. Oh, yeah, okay, that sucks. So I guess the other option would be the replay mode with TradingView or Trixie. Trixie is cheaper. If price breaks 149,750 QP on GJ, like you said, isn't the range small to 149,600? Oh yes. If you look here, 750. Next range is right here. But it's not that bad. It's actually, if you look, oh yeah, but if you break 750, I'm looking for, yeah, a break right around here. So it should be like 15 pips, I think. Yeah, but it all depends, you know, it all depends on timing. Because if you're taking around like 8:30, 9 a.m., you can expect this volume to break this minor zone here, you know, so. Which is not a minor zone, by the way. It's an H4 support.
Oh, look at gold. Gold looks like it's gonna break lower. You might want to pivot trade that. Where's Simon? Is Simon looking at gold too?
Yeah, only gonna be looking if it breaks. Only looking if it breaks this.
45-ish.
1744, yeah.
Yeah. Gonna take a big tree. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna take it.
Oh, Kevin. All right. Hey, Kevin. Welcome, welcome. Kevin is new, also new student. Welcome, Kevin.
Thank you.
All right, let's take a look at this. Welcome to the pack, man. Welcome to the pack. All right, so look at this here. This is NZD GPY. Ooh, that's a pair I didn't look often. Look for buy if the next 30-minute candle breaks the high. Okay, okay. Let me check something. So this is NZD GPY. Okay.
It's well gone now. It's coming down now. It's well gone.
Okay. NZD. Do you trade this pair often?
It's one of my go-to pairs if GJ is not playing well.
Okay, so that's your second, right?
It does trend well. It does trend well.
Okay, okay. So let's see.
Just come back inside the zone now, so it's no go anyway.
Yeah. Trending up, right? Pretty nicely. Here we have a change of structure on this daily. Yeah, you are right now on the daily resistance, right? So that's tricky because I mean we need to break this daily candle, this daily support here to have a change of structure to the upside, because right now we're going down. Look at the 4 hours. Okay. Okay, we got a break on 4 hours, so now it looks like she's getting that break and retest. Let's take a look on H1. So let's get this zone smaller. Wow, what a range here. Yeah, so no break and retest here.
30-minute bullish candle closed very weak, so I sort of known it was going to go down, but that was the idea if it went above.
Yeah, you know what? That's actually pretty good here. Yeah, this one is a write-off candle, but you want this to flip bullish, right? So something I forgot to put is all right. So looking at this, I mean, here this is pretty basic. Yeah, you got your break, right? So you got your retest, which is also going to be right in the golden zone also. So you got a break and a retest in the golden zone, and now expecting price to push up. But I mean, right now it's coming back in that range, so it's going to be invalid. But we need to respect that safety net here, that orange line. So if this candle start rejecting this area and start to push back and close bullish, I think we're going to have a nice move to the upside here on this NZD GPY, because we need that to change the trend, right? Because right now we were trending bearish, and we need to make sure we break that daily resistance. Yeah. So you want something solid. You want a strong bullish candle here to be able to buy and retest this high here.
Yes.
Awesome. All right, so let's put actually, how do I do this? I guess NZD GPY. All right. What time? 7:44. And GA is pushing back up. Alright. Vieux matin, man. Vieux matin.
Very old morning indeed.
Crazy. Look at this fake out to the downside again. Wow.
Tout cette semaine, c'est juste comme pas de direction, pas rien. Nothing.
Good news, got an email from Magic Keys. They'll be shipping out in a couple days.
Oh, nice.
Nice. I know Yassine is waiting for his as well.
Maybe that will manage our risk.
Yeah, definitely helps. It's so much faster execution. I mean, yes, risk management, but execution gets so fast, so much easier, you know?
Yeah. Will you be considering opening an account with the Dominion Market with Raja?
Probably.
Low commission, low.
The reality is I'm really well served with Black Bull Market here in Canada, and the thing is, we have access to deposit like by email, Interact transfer, so it makes things really easy. If I go with Dominion Market, I have to transfer in crypto, and to be honest, I hate that. I got screwed and fucked one time. Sorry for the word. And the reason why is because, look at this, I was depositing like 20K, was it 20K? Or 25, I can't remember, whatever. So I was depositing 20K, and so I transferred my found in crypto 20K, right? And by the time transfer was done and came back home and installed all my shit and did my transfer, fucking Bitcoin went down like there's no tomorrow, you know? So it went down like by, I can't remember how many percent, but my 20K was worth 12,000, you know. Yo, so I lost 8K. So I lost 8K just by transferring that money. So for me, playing with cryptos, you know, deposit money, I'm like, no, you know what? Fuck it. You know, it's just like.
You got really unlucky because.
Yeah.
That's rare.
Yeah, I know. It's just like.
Sasha, how long did they took to put the money in your account? That's way too.
Oh, that was pretty fast. But I don't know why that day something happened.
Jesus,
and
you bought
yeah.
like in the peak of 2017 or something.
Yeah, it was.
Like 20K, then it came down like sharp or something like that.
Yeah, it went down like straight down that day. I was like, what the fuck?
That's a 40% decline.
I mean, like, what is the what? How come? You know why? You know why? What did I do? You know, it's just like.
It's pretty steady. Normal, most of the time it's pretty steady.
Yeah, but back then it was like, when was it? That was like 2008.
17 probably.
18, 17, around there. Yeah. So I'm like, you know what?
It was too volatile back in the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So.
Use USDT, it will not change. I think.
Yeah, so that's why these days I'm like, I don't know, it's just like, for me it's so simple. I press enter. You know what? I go to my bank app. I send 10,000. Boom, it's sent. It takes literally 3 seconds. It's in my Black Bull Market account. So, so I don't know. That's why I don't know. I want to support him and I want to, you know, but the reality is I'm really, really, really good with them. They've giving me an awesome service. They are in business for many years. There's no problem with the platform. So I'm just like, I don't know. Maybe in a while, but maybe not right now. Probably not right now.
Does Black Bull Markets takes crypto if we want to?
Do they take crypto? No, because I think they are. I think all the broker regulated are. I think they don't use crypto if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And that's the other thing. It's a really solid broker. You know, Black Bull Market. I mean, I mean, they have a lot of experience, you know. I mean, Deloitte, you know, give them prizes, you know, every year because I mean, they are a solid company, right? So everything is checked, everything is legit. So I don't know. So maybe in a while, but maybe not right now. We'll see. If they have interact transfer, I'll be down. But for me, it just make it so easy, you know, to deposit money that and withdrawals, you know. So it's pretty good.
Yeah, they will add wire transfer in 2 weeks.
Yeah, but why even there wire transfer?
Even that like.
Wire transfer takes a while, costs money, but with yeah, go ahead.
No, I was just agreeing with what you're saying. Even with wire transfer, like Interact, I can send money right now and I'll be there in 2 seconds, no fees.
Yeah, no fees also.
That's so fast.
Yeah.
It differs for us. We don't have this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You in the States? You go? Oh yeah, no, you're in.
No, I'm Lebanon. That's too bad.
Lebanon, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, sorry.
Might go to Canada if I have an immigration.
Let's go. Come down.
I might, but it costs too much. So, okay.
Yeah, I think that we will all immigrate to Canada very soon. All the Lebanese will be in Canada soon.
We had a huge.
I'm gonna go, yeah, too.
Yeah, we have a huge community of Lebanon people.
I'm serious, yeah. I'm playing it for last 1 year to move to Canada with my wife. So yeah.
Oh man, let's go. That's amazing.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. Come on to Montreal.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, we have to move to Montreal.
Trust me. I will open a restaurant over there. You will have good food.
Yep.
That's
Lebanese food is great.
Oh no, freak! I love Lebanese food. Let's go.
We have good weed.
But we can't get with us.
All right. So here, if price breaks 149,750. Okay, we answered that. Hey Sasha, could you please explain why you seem to have a liking for quarter points and round numbers? Oh, the reason why is because they make me money. Really simple. That's why I like those round numbers, you know? Because I studied them and I backtested them and I know how they work. And yeah, that's why I like them. Armin, bro, I got stopped out on GA due to very small range, but yeah, like I said, it was a small range, right? So
Small range.
and you want price to come back up in that golden zone before selling it, you know, or seeing a solid resistance form right around that major QP, but this was way too low, so that's why. Yeah, but if this setup occurred during high volume time, would it be valid to take considering it can? But Armin, we discussed that many times on IG, dude. You gotta stop asking what if, you know, what if, because what if it didn't happen, right? So you gotta focus on some stuff that happened, right? Not what if, because what if, we don't know. We don't know what time was this, how Kindle was reacting, where's there news, what if doesn't help us, you know? So you need to back this on real stuff, you know, that something's happening. What if is not gonna help you, bro.
Sasha, I have a question. When I'm registering on Black Bull Markets using your affiliate link, do I have to choose a type of account because it's asking me standard, prime?
Yeah, you choose prime, and even if you don't have the minimum deposit, you'll be upgraded to prime.
Okay.
And if there's anything, you just send me a message, and I'll message them, and they'll upgrade you to prime account.
Okay, thank you. Because yesterday, I finally decided just leave this broker. I opened the trade and it was opened in 2 directions.
That's crazy. I don't even know how that's possible. That's insane. Yeah, that's insane. You know, I had one situation with Black Bull. When I entered a trade a couple weeks ago, it spiked up. My spread spiked up by, I think it was like 10 or 15 pips, or I can't remember how many pips it was. Phil, do you remember how many pips was that?
15.
15?
Down 15 pips.
Yeah, so I opened a trade and I was down 15 pips. I was like, what the hell? So, and I actually ended up winning that trade. so they actually paid me that 15 pip spread because it was a kind of a glitch or a mistake or error or whatever. And it took like 48 hours and I had the money back in my account. So,
Nice. Sick, man.
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah, these guys, they answered me, we don't know anything. If you open the trade from your IP, that's it.
That's so weird.
I don't know what to do. I pressed the button buy. It was super fast. Went to profit like in 1 minute, 15 pips, and I'm down $100. I was like,
That's crazy, man. Oh, bah.
Yeah, that's that's the restaurant I open when I come to Canada.
Oh, nice.
nice.
That's a franchise over there?
No, it's mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Jeez, 6,000 followers. Damn, bro.
Nice, Baja.
It's looking
Great job.
tasty.
Mon gars, ça a l'air bon en tabarouette.
Damn, Ben, send some food over here.
Yeah, this is.
La rocket,
Man,
I will visit you very soon.
dude, can
Can
you ship by Dicom? Can you ship by Dicom?
We have Lebanese food in Quebec. It's called Amir, and I'm sure your food destroys.
ça l'explose.
Yeah. And man, what a nice Instagram page, dude.
Yeah.
That is a lot of.
Le même template avec le numéro de téléphone en bas.
What a nice work here on Instagram. Good job, man. Wow. Pretty amazing. Nice job, Ba.
Thank you.
Where's the music? What the fuck?
R&R, repeat again.
Alright, so GA is coming back up again.
Là, il est mieux de faire sa résistance dans la boîte jaune, c'est pas comme hier, tabarnak.
Hey man, il m'a tué.
Yo, c'est un nest trade manqué, mon gars.
Moi, je venais juste de sortir. Je l'ai repris, mais je venais juste de sortir de mon trade, tu comprends?
Asti.
Hey man, il était fou ce trade-là, mon gars, là.
12 pips pour genre 70.
C'était insane, là. After signing up with Black Bull Market, I started getting scam calls from other countries. What?
Might just be a coincidence.
They have high spread. I don't know how you call it high spread, but on
High spread, c'est Wanda, man.
say high spread. I don't know about that. I'm at like 0.6 on GJ right now. 0.7, 0.8. So I don't know. I can be a little, very much lower than that, to be honest. And the phone calls you got was probably your account manager. Because as soon as you open up an account with Black Bull, they're going to start calling you and asking if everything's okay. Can we do something for you? So yeah, the call you got from overseas was probably customer support and your account manager at Black Bull Market. So
I have a question. Let's say we have a 1K account, okay, and we're trading NY only, like and live with you, okay. What is the reasonable percentage of the account growth after a month?
are you asking the percentage of risk?
No, of the account growth. So 1K would be 1.2K. This is 20%. Is that reasonable or too much?
Oh, as a goal to increase it. C'est ça qu'il parle, hein?
20% par mois, c'est réaliste.
Oh, 20% per month. Okay. So, okay, I understand. Okay, sorry, it took me a while. Sorry, man. So, 20% is yes, it's doable in a month. It's 5% per week, basically, right? So, it's 1% per day. So, how you gonna break down a goal is you gotta take that goal and break it down per day. So, if you want 20%, that means you gotta do 1% per day, you know? And if that means you gotta take 5 trades a day, not 5 trades a day, sorry, 5 trades a week, and it's impossible you have a perfect week every week. So I don't think 20% at first should be a real target. I think you should have lower expectation, hit those goals, and after that increase the goals as you go up. But we're definitely going to talk about that in our one-on-one together. So you can ask people who did the one-on-ones with me. We set up their goals. We worked through that. And yeah, you're going to see we're going to set it up. And it's going to be pretty simple.
Anyway, you don't should have this kind of target. Just trade like you're supposed to. And the 20% is going to happen.
It's okay to have a goal in mind, but I will not focus too much on that goal, right? Because because your mindset's gonna make you take the wrong decision based on that goal.
You're gonna force trade and over leverage and but 20% a month, that's pretty high, to be honest.
Yeah, 20% is doable. It's doable with experience and after a long time, but right now at the beginning, 20% it's quite high.
I see. Thank you.
Because you want to have a smaller goal to hit that goal and, build your confidence. Because what happens if you fix a bigger goal and you never achieve it, you're going to get discouraged, you're going to quit, right? So...
Le gars fait 15% par mois puis il est toujours en tabarnak parce qu'il veut hit le 20.
T'imagines, toi?
Yeah. Ça se fait bien. Golden zone.
Ça se fait bien si tu fais du 3% de risque, là, honnêtement.
Oui.
Pas easy, là, mais faut que tu te concentres sur les trades, pas le pourcentage. C'est ça qui
Exact.
C'est tellement genre. Ça va arriver tout ça. Il n'y a pas une formule magique qui fait que tu as 20% chaque week.
Ça dépend des conditions du marché aussi, là.
Ouais, c'est ça. Le fait de te fixer un objectif weekly, monthly, ça va juste te faire forcer des trades pour rien.
Sasha, do you take naps? No. I don't.
Feels the cat.
It's not customer support because they want me to invest in some random coin. Oh. So I don't know what it is, David. Johnson, maybe... I know for sure that the information you give them, it's private, so maybe a coincidence. I never got any phone calls about investing in random coins, so maybe you put your phone number somewhere in a website, I don't know. But trust me, man, I have over 70 people are referred to Black Bull Market. Nobody came back to me and told me oh yeah, I'm receiving random phone calls since I signed up with Black Bull Market. Mark, did you receive any phone calls?
Nope.
Phil, did you?
Okay, but it was my account manager was
Exactly.
I can't remember his name, that's it.
Yeah. So André.
Non, pas André.
Ah, t'as pas André, toi? Moi j'ai André.
Non.
Me too, Andrew.
Yeah, Andrew's cool, man. Alright, man. What a slow morning. Jeez.
Big gold, I really thought we were gonna break the low and go down, but
There we go.
it was no.
Oh.
Is insane, man. 1745 double bottom bam.
Yeah. We were waiting for that actually. Yeah, let's see now. I think it's waiting than it was now.
Yeah, at 8:30. CPI.
CPI, yeah. And was it retail sales?
Yeah.
Yes, retail sales.
Yeah. My bad.
Yeah,
Retail sales at 8:30.
They're 14
forecasting 5%.
Yeah, mate, I believe it.
Previous was minus 2.7.
Yeah, they're looking at good numbers.
Yeah.
Jeez. So, if you're looking at good numbers, let's speculate. If you're looking at good numbers, that means gold is gonna drop.
Down, GG up.
Yeah, gold's gonna drop. If gold's gonna drop, AUD is gonna drop. So GA should go up. Yeah, let's speculate. I'm just and GJ, the yen should get weaker because people's gonna get back into the USD. So let's speculate. I'm just speculating. Okay, so GJ should go up. G and GJ should go up based on that. We'll see.
GA est juste dégueu, là. GG, excuse-le, dégueulasse.
Ah ouais. Toute la petite semaine, man, dans cette
J'ai
drop.
pris un trade la semaine.
Quoi? Non?
Pas un trade, non?
Wow, man, t'es bon, man. Phil, félicitations. Pour vrai, c'est bon, man.
Yeah.
Je suis vraiment-
c'est... Il y a pas une fois où j'ai vu de quoi, genre, super beau. Même hier, le GG buy, là,
Très beau, man. Très bon. Je suis fier de toi.
Parce que
Non.
dans une semaine de même, yo, tu peux te faire manger ton compte.
Yeah,
c'est
yeah,
pas
yeah.
Ben oui, man.
Back à back.
Where's the catfish?
Oh, Carrie. Yeah, Carrie, first of all, Black Bull demo. Any broker demo account, don't look at the spread. They are spread on demo account, you know? And because they are based on standard and regular. But you need, on any broker you go, you need to ask for an ECN raw account or something like that. Usually they ask for a certain amount deposit to get those lower spread. But the cool thing is if you use my link, I negotiate something with them. And if you use that link, you're going to be upgraded to Prime account automatically. That means you're going to get lower spread. So that's how you get it. So that's why I'm like 0.8 right now, 0.7, 1 pip. So yeah. Yes, it's a different account, so that's why it's a Prime account. You want a Prime account for sure. But you
Tu sais, mettons, si tu passes le challenge sur Founding Talent,
ouais,
tu as accès à un Black Bull account.
ouais,
C'est ça?
ouais, exact.
Mais en démo.
Non.
Ou je me trompe, non?
Ben, oui. C'est un démo qui est linké à leur live account à eux autres.
Yeah, mais le spread.
C'est une bonne question, je sais pas. J'ai aucune idée. Je sais pas s'ils ont un démo account que tu peux avoir qui te mettent avec un raw account, je sais pas. J'ai aucune idée. J'ai pas investigué là-dessus.
Ben, ça peut faire la différence là, sur.
Ah non, c'est sûr, là.
Si tu trades tout le temps en démo, ça devient grave. Tu sais, je veux dire. Il y a des fois
c'est
que
sûr.
À gold.
Hein?
Checker gold, voyons.
Super fast. Super fast.
Ils
Yeah.
price in la nouvelle check ben, c'est.
Mais c'est ça, je te dis, d'après moi, la nouvelle elle est bien négative.
Gold is crazy, man. It's so unpredictable.
Yeah.
It may go down back to the range.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time for me to go get a coffee so I can.
Yeah, and prepare your Bloomberg station, mate.
Ah ouais,
C'est qui sert à rien, man. Mais comment, ouais, j'avais oublié, là.
Il est 8h30, le gars, ça va se couler un fucking café.
Man, tu nous laisses down de même, man.
What do you mean, no?
You got it down.
Alright, so let's see here. Hey Sasha, can you check this GJ buy of yesterday since nothing's happening? Yeah, sure. Was it a good entry or not? Let's take a look.
Tout le monde qui ont buy impulse en haut de 150, man, est-ce que c'était fucked up?
Ouais, mais ça, tu sais de où ça vient, hein?
Sasha was able to do it though, and
Ouais, mais sur un close, là, pas genre en croissant 150.
Non, mais tu sais de où ça vient?
Ben, ça vient de, je le sais bien.
C'est ça.
Entrer en M15.
Puis ça l'a coûté une perte aussi, hein?
Ouais.
Puis j'ai reçu à peu près 10 messages par rapport à ça.
Ah ouais?
Ouais. On en parlera une autre fois.
On s'en parlera en DM.
Je pense que tout le monde commence à être tanné, man. Ouais, non, c'est vraiment intense.
Tanné de?
On en reparlera une autre fois.
En DM, Jim.
Je vais pas en parler live.
Moi ça live. J'ai pas eu.
Price form nice support. Candle broke the 150. Oh, major QP. Okay, cool. With strong bullish close. Waited for the dogtail and waited for the candle to break the high of this previous candle to give more confidence for entry. Runner got stopped out. Partial TP. 100 pips. Damn. Okay, so let's see here. Damn.
100 pips.
Waited for the dog. But I don't see where's your entry though. Waited to the. But the thing is, I'm kind of confused because I'm not like your arrow is pointing here, but your bubble here is talking about this support, and you're thinking about breaking this candle, and now your runner's right here, but you're talking about entry here.
Ah, I think he shorted it. Yeah. He took a sell, I guess.
Yeah, so maybe you wanna work your chart a little bit so it gets clear, because I don't understand. Oh, okay.
Yeah, he took a sell around here, shorted that.
But how can your runner get stopped out here?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's why it's not clear, man. Sorry, 10, not 100 pips. Okay. I'll put entry into. Yeah, send it again, because to be honest, it's confusing. Unfortunately, Black Bull doesn't work for U.S. residents. So for U.S. resident, definitely, Trader's Domain or Rogers Broker, you know. But I don't know if are they open now? I think they've been delaying. Because I saw I saw a message on Slack that they were having some issues about something, so I don't know.
I became proud trader of Black Bull Market right now.
You're officially a Black Bull.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Black Bull family.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, Ryan, we got a chart here. No wick, so I didn't take this one on GU, but damn, LOL. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, yeah. But
Entering after a no wick.
no, he didn't took it.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, no, he didn't take it. He was looking to take it, but he saw no wick, so he didn't took it. But how many pips is that?
40, 30, 20.
20 pips.
Damn,
Yeah.
GU is not making a lot of pips.
Yeah, this on GG will be like 50 pips.
40.
Yeah.
Non, c'est les mêmes bits, c'est juste là, il n'y a aucun volume.
Ouais. Mais Ryan, I'm looking at this, and to be honest, I think it's not bad that you didn't enter there, because to be honest, I mean, there's a lot of noise here. There's a lot of noise, so it's don't feel bad, man. Wait for something cleaner here above here. Yeah. Wait for above here. It's gonna be so much cleaner. Look at the left side here. There's some nice clean traffic here. Up to 250. Yeah. Yeah. Don't. Yeah, I'll be fine with that. Wait for break and retest above here.
Yeah.
Or dogtail setup. Yeah. Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll get a better move.
Alright.
That's the dog shit range, isn't it, Sasha?
Yeah. Dog shit range, man.
Sasha, they are offering only MT4, right?
Yeah, no, they have MT5. But to be honest, I had some bug issues with MT5, so I decided to stay with MT4. I'll let you know when it's good to go.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't know, man. MT4 is fine. Because it's quite new that they have MT5. So I know they were having some.
I never traded MT5.
Yeah, that's it. You know.
Yeah.
I'm good with my old shoes.
Yeah. I just was watching Raja and he was promoting MT5 and all that stuff.
I know, but I think the reason why it's probably because they don't have MT4.
Okay.
That's probably why.
And I know they just have MT5.
What?
They just have MT5.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Exactly.
And what's the difference?
There's not much difference. It's just like it's the new version, so it's just
Quicker. On Vintage Effects, I trade on MT5. Man, chart, and you can custom your interface with black and blah blah blah. But I don't see.
yeah, it's all cute stuff, but I don't see like any something crazy.
I was surprised that Raja said that execution at MT5 is faster than MT4.
Maybe that's possible, but to be honest, like.
C'est comme t'acheter un nouveau iPhone.
Yeah, true. It's like a new iPhone, right? So, like, how much faster can you get, right? Like a millisecond? I don't know. Just like maybe if you're scalping on 30 seconds and minute chart. No, but I'm maybe if you're scalping like on 1 minute, 5 minutes, yes, maybe it can make a little difference, maybe. But I don't do that. I only trade on 30 in 1 hour. And usually mostly on opening of the candle, so I never seen a delay that bad that enter a trade and it was like 5 pips lower, you know, just like that never happened to me. So that's why when I see something like that, I'll be like, okay, now let's move to MT5. But until then, I'm good with my old shoes.
Yeah.
And I know how MT4 works, and I don't feel like installing something else, especially me, man. I'm not techie. I hate new stuff. I like my old stuff that works great, right? So.
Yeah. If MT4 will not open the trades in 2 directions at the same time.
Now you want an MT5.
Yes. This is enough. Just
Ok, Gabrois, what's up, Gabrois? Faut faire attention avec Funding Talent. Le dernier challenge compte. Attends un peu. Le dernier challenge compte live de 100K, 80-20 split et 5% des loss, 10% overall. C'est comme si tu tradais avec un compte de 10 000. Oui, effectivement. Oui. C'est pas. Oui, tout le monde sait ça. Ouais, exactement. Oui, avec un pouvoir de trade de 100 000. Oui, exactement, Gab. Oui, c'est exactement ça. C'est normal, ils se protègent. Tu comprends? Ça fait du sens, là. Il n'y a pas personne qui va te donner 100 000 hey, go have fun. Il n'y a pas personne qui va faire ça.
Le challenge, ça?
Ouais, parce que dans le fond, tu sais, si t'as un 10% drawdown, là, dans le fond, c'est comme si t'avais 10 000 dans le fond, là. Tu comprends?
Oui, mais t'es pas censé avoir 10%. En tout cas, si tu passes le challenge et t'es rentable, t'es pas censé avoir 10% de drawdown, là, quand même.
Non, sur le live account, par exemple, un coup que tu as le live, le drawdown il est différent. C'est. Je me rappelle plus par cœur, mais je veux pas dire de niaiserie, mais il est différent. Puis de toute façon, le leverage aussi est beaucoup plus petit, là. Fait que.
Ben, le challenge, tu fais 80-20 de 100 000. Je veux dire, c'est ça.
Ouais.
1000.
Ouais. Tu fais 80-20 de tes profits.
Yeah. Sur un compte à 100 000.
Oui, c'est ça, exact. Ouais.
2-3%, 2000, 3000.
Ouais.
Ça va être bien correct là, si j'ai 1800 de tout.
Ben oui, ben non, absolument. Absolument.
Tout c'est en US. Fait que techniquement, je t'en reviens à 2004.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ouais, pis c'est tout en US en plus, fait que ça, c'est parfait. I enter the trade.
Tes messages.
Yeah.
You slide out in DMs, man.
I entered the trade on the 30-minute after a strong bull candle, but waited to break the high of that bear candle. A few candles back as confidence. Hope this makes sense. Okay, let's take a look. Oh.
And gold is I'm chiming. What is this?
What time is it now? Oh, 8:20.
Yeah,
Man.
I think we should do it.
Okay, so part 2.
On lower time frame.
Alright, so let's see here. Part 2 of this trade. Okay, so now the arrow is pointing the right way. Oh yeah, okay. Enter the buy here. Well, why did you... Oh, you waited to break this high. Oh.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. But I think that's a late entry, to be honest.
C'est entré au milieu de nulle part, man.
Yeah, yeah, no. Because this, who cares about this? This is a wick fill, actually. You know? This is a wick fill. But you don't need to break this high. You need to break this body candle here. So that's exactly what I did yesterday on my... If you look at Forex Talk over here, you'll see me breaking down this trade. But yeah, it makes sense if you enter here. But here, I think you're late. So you need to enter right here. And yeah, and you target this next resistance. My mistake yesterday was it was in a range and I did secure profit while tapping into that resistance. So
Yeah.
but that setup, I am a 1-for-1. So I was 10 pips shy from my 1-for-1. So that's why I kind of hold it. But yeah, it is what it is.
Alright, G8 is closer to the golden zone.
Yeah, getting there slowly but surely.
Next time, Sasha, you have to see, here we go. Then it's gonna work.
Look at this. Why I have a feeling that gold's just gonna shoot down.
Yeah, me too.
I have a bad feeling with this. Alright, so GJ's back up over here.
Hey, don't fake out, mon gars.
Yeah, so a third fake out to the downside. Wow, fourth fake out to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not even funny. This is so ugly. Sorry guys. C'est 10% max overall sur live. Faudrait que je check. Honnêtement, je m'en souviens pas. Mais oui, effectivement. Si c'est ça, c'est ça. Bro is taking long. Mais tu sais, de toute façon, 10% max overall sur le live, je m'en crisse un peu pour être honnête parce que je risque pas plus que 2%. Tu comprends? J'irai jamais. Tu comprends? À ça. Ouais. Bro is taking long once price close above and set target to gold zone. A dumb move. Bro is taking. Who is taking long?
Personne, man.
Yeah, nobody's taking long.
Je fais un bon mot ce matin.
Alright, so we got what? 5 minutes before the.
I have my Bloomberg open, ready for you guys.
Let's go!
Ça se passe, hein.
C'est un méchant changement aujourd'hui. C'est cool.
Stéphane Bellavance serait content d'entendre ça, man.
I was waiting for someone to bring him up.
Shout out à Stéphane, man.
The survey is retail sales 5.8%.
Yeah, projected.
Ex auto monthly 5%. Ex auto and gas 6.4%. Je pense qu'on. I don't think we're gonna beat it. I think it's not. Je serais pas mettre un 20 là-dessus qu'on. We don't beat.
Que ça va être under what I expected.
Yeah, I think so.
Man, je sais pas qu'est-ce qui se passe avec JJ pour qu'il y ait autant d'indécisions.
Ah man, c'est malade pour vrai.
Yeah, wow.
Hein?
That's a nice song.
Yeah.
Si au moins JJ serait aussi hype que la musique, man, ça serait nice.
J'essaye, man, j'essaye.
On essaye toute la semaine, est-ce qu'il y a rien qui marche?
Tabarnak.
Non, yes.
Je pense que c'est le premier trade cette semaine sur GG. C'est-tu mon premier trade sur GG? Je pense que oui.
Yeah.
Ouais.
Non, t'as pris un trade hier, mais tu l'as pas closé.
Moi,
Sur
c'est
JJ?
C'est sur ton challenge.
Oh ouais, c'est mon challenge, ouais, ça c'est différent.
Ok.
On le compte pas.
Non.
Oh ouais.
C'est quoi dans le fond?
Hein?
Nothing.
Le challenge à quand?
It's the.
Faut t'écouter Forex talk over a beer.
Wake up, man. Wake up, bro.
À chaque fois, à chaque Forex Talk Over Beer, man, j'étais à la job.
Où il est en train de checker des boules sur Instagram.
Ouais, c'est ça. Arrête de checker des seins sur Instagram, man. Pis. Ouais, mais tu sais qu'il est disponible pour replay, hein?
Ah là, quelle passe là, à 10h, je suis dehors là.
Hey, tu l'écoutes le lendemain matin, au pire, en mangeant ton orange.
On est en train de chier.
Ouais, tu l'écoutes ça à vol.
En live le lendemain matin.
Ouais, mais tu sais, quand tu fais ton gros caca du matin, là.
You guys are crazy.
Tu sais, quand tu fais ton gros caca du matin, tu l'écoutes.
Alors, j'aime mieux voir juste péter un os dans le pré-market. En tout cas, j'ai rien dit.
Ouais, non, c'est ça. Chut.
On va être blurred, man.
Ouais, c'est ça, il va falloir te beeper. Beep!
Oh man.
Alright, 1 minute left, guys.
Yes.
Alright, let's see.
Fuck it up.
Let's take a look at gold. Alright, so we got 1 minute 20 seconds.
J'ai bien hâte d'avoir les spreads, mon gars.
Yeah, spread's gonna go.
400 pièces sur le spread.
What's up, Roman?
Dogtail setup on goal. Yep.
You crazy, man.
Un limit and so limit, man. Jeez.
Oh, Sasha's like, you know what? Let me think about that for a second.
Let's see. Let's see.
5% dans le challenge account, man.
Ouais, bon, ben c'est quoi le challenge à quand?
Ah, il est pas sérieux, il va pas continuer à poser cette question-là.
Non,
Non, je te niaise.
Oh, there you go. You're at 3 pips for me.
On va en parler après la nouvelle.
Gold.
35 seconds.
Un pause, on va pogner ça jusqu'à 17,36.
Ah non, 17,60.
Ouais, 17,60.
Là, c'est vers le haut.
Puis on va close direct sur une 70.
Alright, 15 seconds, 15 seconds.
Yeah, look at G. Oh man, oh man.
Yeah, it is hard.
Oh, it's gonna drop. Oh.
Rejecting 178.
Here you go.
Here we go.
Alright.
New candle just open.
Ooh.
9.8%.
What?
9.8%. So big beat. Big.
Better than expected. It's like twice.
Whoa. So it's better than expected, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so gold's gonna melt.
So that's why the impulsive move. They were pressing in
Yeah.
the news.
Yeah, so it's gonna go down. So AUD.
G is about to go up
Yeah, AUD is gonna go up.
Yeah.
right to the golden zone.
Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. It's gonna push it up.
Yeah.
Donc, c'est
Yeah.
good pour le USD.
Yeah. Good.
Ouais, c'est good pour le USD, ouais.
9.8%.
Ils ont vendu plus que expected.
C'est le fun que.
Ouais, check ton... Ah, c'est bizarre. Je comprends ce que tu es en train de dire, Jimmy.
Non, mais j'ai pas pris de trade, c'est juste ça n'a aucun sens.
Mais non, mais check ça, là, le pound il monte, puis c'est bon pour le USD, tu sais.
Ça
Here you go.
C'est ça.
Oh, look at this guy! Okay.
we feel that.
Few days.
Yeah, man.
Impossible.
Après 2 minutes, la news, il n'y a plus de volume. Là.
Ouais, il n'y a plus rien. Bon, I'm gonna head out, guys. Rien à faire ici, anyways.
C'est le vieux matin, man.
What you said, G, à 9h30, 10h, comme hier, là, ça se passe.
Ouais, ça se passe.
Toi, t'es-tu capable de trader pendant ces heures-là?
Ouais, je fais juste changer de pièce.
Ah, c'est cool.
Et j'ouvre mes charts sur un côté, puis je dessine de l'autre, puis zip zap.
Zip zap zip dans la pantoufle.
Mais tu prends ton ordre sur ton fond, c'est ça?
Yeah, c'est ça. Je calcule mes affaires un peu avant sur ma FX book, puis...
Old school, là.
So yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.
Alright, take care, buddy.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, man.
Taught on NZD GPY. Wow, that's super rare, man. It's been twice people talking about NZD and GPY. This is the first time I look at it in 3 years. We talked about this. We were waiting for support to form in this golden zone. And I think if this 1 hour closed bullish engulfing, I think that's going to be a pretty nice setup here. So in 30 minutes, I think you should be able to retest the high.
Oh, G is about to break below previous candle. Looks nice.
And don't forget, this is the 382 level right here on this fib.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's a trade, man.
Ouais, fait que Jimmy, t'es-tu là?
Yeah.
Fait que dans le fond, c'est simple, c'est le challenge. Je l'ai expliqué plein de fois là, sur les Forex Talk Over Beer, tu peux aller checker, mais le challenge, j'ai pris le challenge, puis je fais mon NY dogtail setup seulement.
Ok.
Fait que je le fais juste avec ça, puis that's it.
Alright.
Ouais, fait que un trade, un setup, une chandelle.
Mais là, faut faut trader le contrat des news finalement. C'est ça.
C'est ce qu'on comprend là. So speculation was to the drain. What?
It's going to be nice 20 pips on GA.
Wow.
Sasha.
Yep.
So on NJ and the DJPY, why wouldn't you have taken it with the 30-minute closes?
Sorry, repeat that?
Why would you have not taken the entry on the as it broke the 30-minute? You go on the 30-minute. Just because they're a weak confirmation, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. On 30 minutes, the thing you can do at 8:30, you can grab the impulse entry at 8:30. You know? Okay. That's something you can do, but the 8:30 was based on news, right? So it's always tricky to enter a trade when you know there's a major news. So that's why I was waiting for candle to close. But if it was, let's say it was not news, let's say it was regular market, at 8:30, I allow myself to take impulse entry. So especially if we formed that bottom wick, I think entry can be taken here at the break of the high, and you're right in that golden zone, so you can retest this high, right? So I think that would make sense. Now, the safer thing is to move on 1 hour. You're gonna know that the news is gonna be done, and it's gonna retrace down a little bit. If it closed like kind of right around here, you're gonna have a solid confirmation, you know, because 1 hour support is very strong confirmation, right?
We have a major QP there as well, 7,800.
Yep. Actually, if you look at NZD, oh yeah, 78 right there. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Man, that pair has a lot of volume also. Oof, maybe not here. Well, actually, not. Lately it's been moving well, nice, but... Okay. Interesting, interesting. Alright, so gold never broke that high, so later. Later, alligator. Man, what's up with the market, man? Better done, dollar weak, strange. Oh. Yeah. It's kind of weird. So the one loss this morning on GJ, and this is the end of me taking out breakouts on 1 hour. So I was already done taking out breakouts on 30 minutes. Now I'm done with 1 hour.
And now gold's gonna go down.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh. TJ, sorry, I just saw your DM on Instagram. TJ, are you on? TJ, you need to maybe you need to install Discord on your laptop maybe, because the link should work. Maybe if you try to copy paste the link into another browser maybe, because nobody else had that issue, so you gotta check that out. So I don't know if TJ you can hear me, I don't know, but oh, I sent a message to Magic Key yesterday to Gabrielle Magic Key, because I was trying to figure out if you can do 1-to-1 ratio with my new setup with Magic Key. I didn't know, but if you press this 1x button, it will automatically put your 1-to-1 risk ratio.
Nice.
Sasha, TJ is already here in the list of spectators.
Yeah, that's what I saw. I just looked. Yeah.
I think he's just away from the computer right now.
Okay.
For some reason. Yeah.
Mr. Tommy Dumoulin. Mr. Tommy Dumoulin, c'est là.
Yes.
Tommy, je checkais ta story, man. T'as des entrées de cowboy, man. Ça sort d'où, ces entrées-là?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Me semble que je checkais, t'avais des entrées random, là. Mettons un top de résistance, j'essayais de trouver, là. Je voulais comprendre comment tu prenais cette entrée-là.
Ah ouais, je sais que le trade que t'avais pris, c'est une affaire que je faisais avant.
Ah, ok.
Je suis allé chercher le counter, mais comme...
Ah, ok. Ok. J'ai regardé ça, j'ai comme, holy shit.
J'avais des indicateurs, tout ça, puis quand j'ai regardé en plus grossité.
Ok.
Il faudrait que je le ressorte, je l'avais juste comme paper trade, là, j'avais pas pris.
Ok.
Ah, puis Sacha,
Ouais.
moi puis David, on monte demain à Montréal, tout ça, on a plein de contacts à aller voir, fait qu'on pourrait peut-être passer prendre une bière à un moment donné, là.
Ouais, ça serait le fun si on pouvait. Je sais bien pas où on peut faire ça, mais.
On s'assira dans nos chars.
One day. Ouais, c'est ça. Ouais, non, regarde, voilà, c'est ça, on pourrait organiser un petit quelque chose.
Ouais, je te texte quand je vais passer dans le coin.
Ah, ouais, c'est bon, parfait. Wow, there's no volume. It's crazy. Sorry. Man, YouTube is quiet. Some days there's like tons of questions. Some days more relaxed. Some days I receive like tons of charts. I guess the market is so boring that nobody has charts. Yeah, we're gonna wait another 15 minutes, and if there's nothing, we're gonna close the stream. Okay, we're gonna keep the Zoom open for students for another at least an hour. And FX like Mike, what's up, buddy? What a day today. Any trade today? Yeah, I took one loss. And I took a loss on GJ, and this I announced that I was done taking breakout on 30 minutes, and this loss just confirmed I'm down taking breakouts on 1 hour also. So now whatever, I'm gonna wait for break and retest. I'm done. I'm totally done. Yeah, so it was based on this engulfing bearish candle closing under the range, took an entry on the opening of the candle, and yeah, took me out. So that was my first loss on GJ since March 31st. So I guess I was due to give back some money. Yeah, I was risking only 1% and lost 15 pips.
Look at GA, what a nice one.
Yep.
Once we created this tail, we never broke up this tail on 30 minutes.
Yep. Yeah, GG was a mess, man. So
current tail, Roman. You mean the current one?
Yes. It created tail first.
Oh, yeah.
Then it broke the
Broke the low of the previous one.
Yes. Yeah.
he wins.
That's the classic dogtail, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Classic
And
dogtail.
with New York volume, yeah.
Yeah.
And rejection of the 38.
Yes.
With
Yeah.
resistance at the top.
Yeah, it made
we
sense.
are in golden zone area, yeah.
It made sense. It's just like, I don't know, it's too noisy now. Just piss me off. If I have a 1 hour maybe, but even there, it's just like, god damn. There's nothing we can do. It's just like,
Yeah, it didn't went inside the golden zone. That's the only thing that is really tricky. It still can go up.
yeah,
Isn't it?
I rejected
Still can
right.
reverse and go up, tap into the golden zone, stop you out, and then come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You win some, you lose some. Yeah, Ryan, you're right. Keep it going, brother. Yes, let's kill the market next week for sure, man. For sure. Love how you didn't overtrade, brother. Yeah. No, now I'm just waiting for something solid, maybe to give my trade a second chance, but doesn't look like it. So I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna wait for the NYSC setup, see if I can get something for my challenge account, but doesn't look like it. GJ needs to get out of the 149,500 to 150,500 range to start moving nicely again. Yes, exactly. Because right now it's just like, it's horrible. It's just like, it's in a space of, I don't know, man. It's so retarded.
Sasha, yesterday's trade went up, went to stop.
And
then stopped being stopped.
Yeah, I got stopped.
After being like 35 pips in profit or something like that.
20. Yeah.
20 only.
Yeah, because I was aiming for 30 pip gain, right? So the entry was
15. Yeah, it went to 35.
Hold up, it was here on the 30 minute. Okay, so it was.
D23, yeah, D23.
It was like kind of right here. Stop was right here, and TP was kind of right here. So I was missing 10 pips or something like that. Yeah. It is what it is.
Or on J, this current 4-hour candle is closing bullish also, yeah. It's kind of tricky.
Man, look at this mess on 4 hours. Jeez.
That's dog shit.
Like, I see mess like this on 5 minutes and 15 minutes, but when you see mess like this on 4 hours, shit.
going to be big when it gets out of there.
Oh yeah. Phil, je te laisse voir. Bon, je te laisse. My girlfriend's listening to music loud as hell. Later, boys. Really? Man, who's the boss in the house? What's up with that? 25 pips on gold. Don't even want to trade anymore today. Just hanging out. Yeah, man. If you got your win on gold, man, call it a day. Fuck it. Is it raining right now? Oh, god damn, it's raining. Oh. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to train inside. Yeah, this 30-minute flip bullish.
Yeah.
But the hint here is the H1, you know? H1 was strong, bullish, engulfing, close above QP, expecting price to continue up in that golden zone, right?
Yeah.
Plus we broke previous high on H1, respected previous low on H1. H1 was really powerful, man.
If you put a fib on the 4 hour on GJ, can you do that? You were talking about the 4 hours a while ago. A fib, but yeah, just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, because all this mess is like into a consolidation zone.
Yes. So there's no way. I mean, yes, you can have a fib, but to be honest, when it's dirty like this, fib's not really gonna help you. Because, I mean, you're not trending, right? So what you do, you place your fib on this side. Oops. So you're not trending. So what? You're what the hell?
No. Can you zoom out a bit more? It's because you are missing the left side of the chart, where it was a big upside movement. Yeah. So you see, yeah. So all this thing is like we are above the safety net, isn't it? If you put a fib from the bottom to the top of that up movement in there.
Yeah,
so
you're right at that safety net.
All
Yeah.
that is above the safety net, isn't it?
Yeah.
It can be just consolidating and
Oh yeah.
We don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, because actually it's not. It's the daily fib actually. And we looked at that. I think it was at the beginning of the week. I think or it was last week. We were looking at this because we were expecting price to continue down in the golden zone, right? And it was based on that daily fib. So yeah, it's something we actually discussed, but now we're kind of stuck. We're kind of stuck here. So yeah, so on a higher time frame, we should continue up. This should be a zone of rejection here to push back up, but now we're just ranging in this situation, in this area.
Tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah, hopefully.
Or today, New York. We don't know.
Yeah, exactly. And G's back down again. What the hell? What the hell?
GA is just playing with our brains.
Yeah. Like yesterday. Yesterday, man, it drives me nuts. Yesterday, man, it was such... Guys, if you didn't watch Forex Talk Over a Beer, from yesterday, go watch the replay. We talk about greed, how I got stuck into that greed effect in that GA trade. Man, you remember, Roman, when I said, man, it's coming back to 15, 16 pips. I should close everything right there because I got 2 positions at 16 pips. I'm just missing 4 pips. I was like, man. Oh no, I'm gonna get it. It's impossible it's not gonna wake up, right? I have a news for you. It's possible. Fuck.
But you didn't got stopped. You got off of your position break even and off of it you took the
Yeah. I closed 1 position in full. I closed 50% of one of the position, and the rest got stopped at break even. Yes. It's just like, I find it dumb. I find it dumb on my end. Because the thing, it's something I explained on the episode of yesterday. I explained that knowing that I had a late entry, I should have placed my partial TP based on the entry I should have had, right? Because I backtested my 15 pips win on a normal setup, not on a late entry of 4 pips.
Exactly.
So that was my biggest mistake here. Yeah.
But Sasha survived in this trade. It was
Yeah.
so close to stop loss.
Yeah, it was close to stop loss at one point also. Holy shit. You're right.
Let me tell you, that was an amazing trade. True lesson there. True
Yeah.
lesson.
Yeah. Believe in yourself, believe in your own analysis, you know. And yeah, once you build that confidence, yeah, I think that's why now these days I kind of hold those trades more than before, because for me it's even worse to close that position, and after that it goes for me it's making me more damage mentally than getting stopped.
That you are right.
You know?
That you are right.
Yeah, that getting stopped for me, because when I enter a trade, I don't over leverage, so I know exactly how much I'm risking, how much I'm losing, and if I'm entering that trade, I am ready to lose that money. You know,
Yes.
I'm ready to lose that money because I know how much I can gain also. So, I mean, if you're not ready to lose money, this is a big part, guys. This is if you can get just
Shouldn't
that.
be trading.
Yeah, exactly. If you're not willing to lose money, you're not ready to win money. Put it this way. And this quote, man, should be the thing of the day. For me, man, if you're not ready to lose money, you're not ready to win money. So. Sasha, how did you set up partial TP on your gold? What? How did you set up PT? PT. What's PT? On your golden position.
Partials, I think.
Partials?
Target, I suppose.
Partials, yeah.
I use magic key. Yeah, I use magic key. I click on partial TP and I place my lane. Really basic. Oh, on gold. Oh, sorry. No, I was aiming like 760, the round number. Yeah, the QP. But it never got triggered, right? Because it didn't break the high, so.
What I don't like about GA on 30 minutes, on 1 hour, on 4 hour, there is no room, enough space to price to come.
Exactly.
Yeah. So like right now we have a room of like, I don't know, 15 pips, and we just came down for 7, just half of this way.
Yeah, exactly.
Half
And
we are
and you got this minor support here. You got this support here. So, yeah, no.
Yes, today when I took a short position on London Open just before, we have so much room to move down.
No, exactly. Here was beautiful. You guys had a beautiful move here.
But right now, it's
I mean, here when you took it, you had like 27, 25 pips, 26 pips, you know, so you had enough room.
yeah.
How do you took that? It was bouncing from the golden zone of something.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Also,
it was,
also
yeah.
golden
Oh
zone.
yeah, I see it now. Yeah, yeah. Actually.
Yeah, actually bounced right in that golden zone.
Yeah.
So you trade the broke of the previous bearish candle, yeah?
Yeah.
That low there.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Perfect.
Which was also breaking that QP, right?
That was
Yeah,
a fast trade, wasn't it? Fast trade.
Yeah. It was very fast, yeah.
Do you think
So,
anyone
you trade
can...
from London Open. You trade since London Open till New York, middle of New York.
Yeah, I trade London, and then I
Wow.
have rest just 1 hour or 30 minutes and wait Sasha and start trading.
Wow. That's an 8-hour job, isn't it? That's
Yeah.
Do you think anyone can become a good trader with hard work? Hell yeah. I mean, you can become anything in life if you put time into it and you focus into it, you know. So yes, definitely. I think I'm a proof of that. I just say I'm not smart. I'm not, you know, I was not a good trader. I didn't know anything about trading and just decided to put a
You are
lot.
being humble, man. You are very, very smart. Come on. What are you talking about?
Thanks, but you know, the only thing I did is just like putting times, you know, and sacrifice other stuff and focusing on this thing and trying to master it and, you know, winning some, losing a lot, you know, that was the beginning, right? So I mean, you gotta through the process. The biggest thing with trading is it's a process. You need to go through that process. And like I always tell people, this is and I always tell people this is not a race, it's a marathon. So I mean, who cares how long it's gonna take you to take it? Once you're gonna reach that line, man, you're set, right? So it doesn't matter if it takes you like 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. You know, who cares? Like how many years a doctor has to study to make that kind of money, you know? So I mean, that's nothing. Like a couple years to learn this shit is nothing. It's something you'll be able to use for the rest of your life, right? So
Yeah.
It's called investment.
oh yeah, definitely. All right, so 9 a.m. So that 30-minute here on GA close as a doji, right above that major QP. So look like we might continue up. So this is a 1 hour 30-minute range. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ's what the fuck? What the hell? Look at this, man. Yeah, I mean it's retarded. There's nothing to do here. Yeah, nothing to do. Not much to do here. What about gold very quickly? Gold, nothing. GU, nothing. NZD GPY, nothing. You see, I don't know who was asking about the question about NZD before, but you see that's why you want to wait. That's why you wait for that 1 hour to close, because you see, now you're back to entry, you know, so you want a solid confirmation. So now this is still an engulfing candle, so I think here should be a pretty, it would be something probably I'd be attempting here on NZD, but I don't trade NZD, but NZD GPY, but just for the fun of it, I'm just gonna back this paper trade, you know, right here, and that would be something that I'll probably looking at and targeting this wick fill, you know, 15 pips. Let's see if that can work. But this is a paper trade. I don't trade NZD GPY. That's the only thing I can see. The rest, I mean, even EJ I didn't look at it, but gold, nothing. Yeah, so at this stage, guys, I'm gonna close the YouTube. Students, you can stay on the Zoom. We're gonna keep it open for another hour, let's say, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you guys tomorrow night at Forex Talk Over Beer. So tomorrow we're gonna have another episode of Forex Talk Over Beer again. So if you didn't watch yesterday, man, you need to watch yesterday. It was pretty good, I think. You can learn a couple of things out of that Forex Talk Over Beer. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été des nôtres. On se revoit vendredi soir à Forex Talk Over Beer. Donc sur ce, je vous souhaite une excellente journée. Have a great day to everyone.